What? Are we live? I got a weird error. It said it's unsupported invec thing. What is that? Hey man, we're live, baby. Elden Ring After Dark. What we're doing tonight is we are going to resurrect the lightning cheese build. Alright, this is the plan, folks. And so let me get to the game, and we're gonna get right into we're gonna be leaving the Snow Witch behind. I have a grocery list, guys. This is NG plus 8 until we click NG plus 9. Let us look at the grace and see if we have this spell. Spell is called the Ancient Dragon Lightning Strike. Memorize spell. We'll keep going Val up. We'll keep. Probably don't need that. That's rare. Remove that. Remove that. Let us go here and say Ancient Dragon's Lightning Strike. Ancient. I found it. We have it. Bam. Okay. Phase 1, guys. We're in. We're in. Hey man, Joe H says it's fun seeing all these builds again. Yo, Drew. Drew, what's up, man? What's up, y'all? Kevin Cook, how you doing? Welcome, guys. Guys, I am going to resurrect the lightning cheese build. This was the character it was on because I think he's gonna have all the loot, guys. We just got to put our clothes on. We got to run to the round table and start the NG plus 4. So that's our main spell. Ritual Sword Talisman Godfrey Icon. Okay. Okay, guys. We're building it right now. Okay. Equipmentorio. Ritual Sword Talisman. What does that look? I feel like I know what it looks like. Is that the one that looks... Do I have the lightning? I do have the lightning scorpion charm. That one we have to use. That's good. I see the Ritual Sword Talisman. Order doesn't matter, right, guys? I did know what the Ritual Sword Talisman looks like, guys. Good. And then we need the Godfrey Icon and Flock Canvas. And the Flock Canvas is going to be the one that we possibly... Ooh, what do we got? We got it. We got the Flock. That's the good one, guys. And then the Godfrey Icon. I know what it looks like. That's him right there. Radagon Icon. We got a couple of them, folks. Oh, guys, this is it. We're gonna go choose some bosses. Wait. Flock Canvas, Lightning Scorpion, Ritual Sword. What the hell was that? What just happened to me? Why did I just get buffed? Did I get invaded? Did I get invaded? I hear something screaming. What is it? Did I just drink a flask? No. What is this? It's like a spell was cast. Oh, when you put the Ritual Sword Talisman on, duh. See, okay. I put the Ritual Sword Talisman on. Let me get back over here. And it started doing that. That's what that was, right? Yeah, I drew exactly. See, I didn't know it made a difference. Equipmentorio. The last one is going to be Godfrey Icon. Godfrey Icon. That's easy to find, guys. It's this little guy down here. We'll use the second one. Okay. Oh, and we need... Don't we need a seal? Are we using the dragon seal? Giant's seal? I feel like it was the giant seal. Unless it's the dragon communion seal. Dragon communion seal, I think, was for the rot poopies. Right? I think it's the rot poopies. Hey, V, it's okay. How you doing? Oh, and I'll tell you something else, guys. One thing I'm not sure about is how to spec. How do you spec? That's one thing I didn't look, guys. I didn't look that up because we got all the loot. I think it's giant seal, 25. No, because we have a gravel stone too. Trail, no. Oh, because I have, it's two grout. Use them both. Okay. The 2 Gravelstone seals. One there. Equipment Dorio. Right here. I'll put the second one here. And then, I don't need a staff. No. And let me see. This is Malekith's blade. That's my left hand. I'm going to remove that. And up here, I'm going to put... We got to find it, guys. It's here. I saw it. It's the... Whatever you want to call it. Crag blade, guys. The Crag blade. I don't remember what it looked like. Dragon King's Crag blade. I think that's the one that we were using. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I think that was our walking around weapon, guys. Let's see. Yeah. This is it, right? Oh, and there's other spells we can use too, like the lightning spear, right? Drew, what are we specking in this thing, man? Remember, we have about 450 points. I'm guessing it's going to be lightning is going to be faith, right? I mean, we can put we could put a lot of points in a lot of stuff. Memorize a spell. This one here, I can use like lightning spear. Lightning spear is a good walking around shooting stuff spell, right? Billy Mullenix, how you doing, man? Talk to me about spec, Drew, because we're gonna go have to talk to Renala, my pumpkin hugging girlfriend. What is? We used a few of these. What is Fortisax's lightning spear? Landsex's glaive. Ancient dragon lightning spear. What did I put up? Which one is this? Ancient dragon's lightning strike. That's the one we want, not spear. Ancient dragon's lightning strike. Right, we got the talismans on Physic, lightning cracked tier, and Cerulean hidden tier. Let's mix a Physic, guys. And then we'll go back and we'll NG +9 this sucker. Oh, I forgot to mix the wonderful Physic, man. Drew says I have to put it in my spreadsheet, but I guess 80 Dex, 80 Faith, because Dex affects lightning damage from what I recall. Lightning damage on weapons, Drew. What is your starting class? Oh, well, I don't know. I mean, I can look. I guess if I go to stats, I can look, right? Okay, I want the... no. Lightning Shrouded Cracked tier. I want that one. And I want the Cerulean Hidden tier? Is that the name of it? It's the one that gives me the, yeah, that's it. The one that gives me the unlimited mana for a little bit. So, for the full cheese. Status. It doesn't tell me my starting class, right? I have 0 runes out of 2.5 million required for a level. I mean, we could run it here, except we're not going to. You're saying, Rhodes, what's up, man? 80 Dex, 80 Faith. Well, we have 450, man. We have 450. So, Dex, Faith. Let's go to the round table and start our... Do you respec before you start, or does it matter? It should say at the bottom. Bottom. The bottom. Check character status. F. Swap screen. Bada bling. Body type A. Age mature. Origin samurai. This guy, this is my original Rivers of Blood build. So this guy's going to have the Rivers of Blood swords too on him. But he looks dumb too. Oh, and I probably have a jump attack cloak on. I do. We're going to change some. We're going to put some clothes on this fool. Respec before. Okay, good. So we should probably then head to Renala. I have plenty of respecables. I'll tell you guys something else, guys. My Reduvia daggers, I kept looking at the spec going, why do I have 50 faith? The guy's only level like 1. I forget what he was level. Maybe he is more. No, because this is his second playthrough. Here's the thing. In some of those PvP battles and stuff, like there was one guy that was beat me pretty good, and then I almost deleted him. Like I took him from full to almost dead. He was one hit. Instantly. Destroyed bosses last night. Total wrong spec. I'm like, why do I have so much strength and so much faith? It's because I used the Blasphemous Blade to kill Radagon and Elden Beast. And he was not, guys, all that damage we did on Redubia Daggers last night, that crazy bleed we were doing, nowhere close to what it's capable of. We're gonna do that again soon. We're gonna go respect that and check out their Redubia Daggers. Because that is gonna be sick. Respect before going in. Now, talk to the pumpkin lady, he says. Do you have lightning tooth weapon? That's crazy weapon. Purple lightning. Sticky Spectre. I don't know if I have it or not. That's why this game is so cool. Samurai turns into a crazy caster. Yeah, that is true, isn't it? Rebirth. Use it. See, we're going to be able to... We have so many points, we can do a lot, guys. Like, you're saying Faith Index, right? So let's go ahead and put Faith Index to 80. Faith Index to 80. Because that's what we know. Okay. Like, Vig. My Vig was at 80. I'm just going to jump my Vig up to 80. I mean, 60 might be okay, right? But here's the thing. I still have 236 points left. You know what I'm saying? So the lightning we don't need Int and Arcane with. We just need Faith and Dex is what you're saying. So we want endurance. My endurance is at 65. I'll put it at 60. Because I don't think we need 65. Mind, we're going to want some mana. That's at 70. We could probably get that up to, run that up to 60. I'm trying to burn some points, guys, but like, there's a lot of... Now we only have 140 left. Sticky Spectre, I'll check it out and see if I have it. Lightning Tooth Weapon. Where does it come from? Drew says, Vig 99. Really? Okay. Vig 99. Mind 59. Good, I was about there. Endurance 55. Okay, it's a little lower than I thought. But I like that 99 Vig. That's fun. Strength. Strength 99. Dex 99. Okay, let's see if we have enough for all this. You put in a spreadsheet, so I trust you. Strength 99, Dex 99. 11 Faith. Wait. It says D S99 D99. And then it says 11 F99. Arcane is 8. Oh, is that... I'm not... Oh, yeah. 9 int. Okay, no, it's okay. 9 int. And then you said Faith 99. Boy, you got the calculator, don't you? And then Arcane is at 8. Dude. So we went 99 Vig, 99 Strength, 99 Dex, and 99 Faith. Whoa. 59 Mind, 55 Endurance. We're not going to be doing a lot of hopping around, folks. At least I hope not. Got 2 more points. No. I don't have any more points, man. That's it for my points. That's 450, man. Let's go. Favorite part of the night. Jackie Retailer, welcome, man. Welcome. If you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar. I play chess. Why can't I confirm? Reallocate until you reach your original. Oh, I do have 2 more points left. You're right. No, 450. Yeah. No, I have 2 more points left. That's what won't let me. Where should we put them? Does it matter? Drew, where do we put them? Well, I could level off Mind at 60, or should I put them both in Endurance? Maybe Endurance, huh? Yep. Just drop him in endurance. Now we're at true 450. All right. I feel pretty good about this. We're going. One thing about me, I always thought larval tears were going to be scary. Like, don't spend the larval tear. Let's be gone forever. They pile up, man. They freaking pile up. Yeah.
Time and time again.
She's not talking to me. She's talking to the freaking pumpkin, guys. She's talking to the pumpkin. Okay, now we run to the round table. What was that weapon he was asking me about? Do you have lightning tooth weapon? What is it? If you're still here, Sticky, is it a sword? What is it? Because I'm gonna have to mouse over everything. I think it'll take me forever to find it. Right? F R. Okay. Okay, guys. This, I believe, is going to be new game 10. NG plus 9 should be. Begin journey 10, folks. Or not new game yet. Journey number 10. Hey, Mex, how you doing, man? Journey 10, folks. If you begin journey 10, you will not be able to return to present world of journey 9. Begin journey 10. Going for it. Draconic Great Claw. Is that what he was asking about? You think? This is fun, guys. The fallen leaves. Ooh, we got a game, guys. We got a game. We're gaming tonight, folks. We're putting the phones on, bro. If you guys weren't here, I mentioned on the chess stream, but remember last night when I bit my tongue real bad, guys? I was up a lot last night. Like, in pain. I was having trouble swallowing. I bit the crap out of my tongue, guys. I bit it really good. It's freaking... I've been on Advil today. It's made a huge difference. Huge difference. Might be... has lightning damage, but from what I hear, it isn't that great. But any build can be fun. Right. Yeah, no. He said it's crazy purple lightning. Maybe that's why, because in the thumbnail, I put purple lightning. Because that's what Canva had when I was making a thumbnail. I just put lightning. I'm like, that looks like cool lightning. It's not the right color. Okay. Is that Randy the Witch? Oh, that's gravity. If it's purple. V says, going to be lurking. V, thank you. Good to see you. Location of the falling star beast jaw is a large crater. Yeah, the falling star beast jaw, that's gravity magic. That's a little bit different than what we're doing here. We're going for full lightning cheese scenario. Yeah, and I have one. I have probably a lot of them. Right? Because that's usually, I've been starting to take the shortcut to Volcano Manor to get my invitation, if you will, right? But I don't always take my invitation. Sometimes I go the hard way. I run to the Volcano Manor.
Oh, rise now.
Rise now, ye tarnished. Ye. Don't talk to me like ye. Yeah, that's int. It is. It is. We didn't put a whole bunch of int. Okay, guys. I did the best I could. Now, we have to equip stuff. And we're going to be able to buff. And then we're going to run in and just try and cheese this fool. I have the physic. The only buff I have is Golden Vow. I'm probably going to see a Grace up here. Is there another buff that I want? Is there another buff that I want? Golden Vow is Golden Vow. I just get grabbed by the abductor virgin at the bottom of the academy. You know, I've done that like before. Maybe twice. Okay, there is no grace. So we'll just vow up and see if we can cheese a fool. And it's going to be in this... Wait. Yeah, I'm just casting a freaking spell. Do I have to cast from a certain hand? Do you have Dragon Bolt Blessing? I don't know, but there's no grace, right? I'm gonna have to. Oh, so we can't learn spells right now. We're gonna have to kill this guy on our own power, folks. I guess I want to test it. Do I have plenty? Yeah, I got plenty of pots. Ancient Dragon Lightning Strike. Let's pretend that we just drank and we target a fool. There's no squirrels over here. That was it. Okay. And I hold it down to charge it. And if I click the right one. So does right click or left click make a difference on the actual cheese scenario? Oh, because I got seals in both hands. Would look great on this build if knocks enemies back who hit you, but you're very susceptible to lightning attacks, huh? Oh, Dragon Bolt Blessing, I see. Okay. I'm just going to re-drink anyway because we got plenty of pots. And we're going to go ahead and drink this. I'm a little bit scared, guys. I'm a little bit scared. It's been a long time since I was Lightning Bolt Cheeser. Now, I can put my sword in my hand, right? And then I just have to shoot from the other hand. Because if I shoot from this hand, I'm going to be poking. But I can do this. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, this looks good. We're going to vow up, guys. Vowing up. Wrong order. Drinking up. And should I two-hand a seal? Just how I remember it, baby. Oh man, it's like we didn't skip a beat. Guys, I love Souls games. I love being a good Souls player. I love being a good Souls player. I think we plugged everything in correctly, Drew. And Drew, thank you for your massive skills and plugging that in the spreadsheet and coming back with all the perfect numbers. That was very sick of you. That was great. I got scared because I thought he was gonna hit me. I thought I was gonna have to play Elden Ring. I love being a good Souls player. Very proud of my skills. I should be famous really soon. After what I just showed you guys. I don't know why. It's not catching on yet, folks. I wish Trey was here. Because Trey's the one that taught me how to love the cheese. I'm like, I don't want to do Comet Azure. That's dumb. Don't you just kill the boss with one shot? He said, yeah, but it's funny. I'm like, huh. Let's see exactly how funny it is. We tried it, and I laughed my butt off, just like I did right there. Just gonna run to market or melt the omen right away. Melt the omen. I killed Trey Malekith with Comet Azure earlier. Cool. And to melt the omen right away. I'm not sure. I mean, I think I'm gonna run to market. I need to make a cheese build with your lightning and Trey's Azure. See how fast we can get through the game. Dude, it would be a freaking joke, man. It would be a freaking joke. It would be a joke. I thought about that. Like, with me and this build and Trey and his build, we would both probably not buff correctly. We would take chances because I'd be like, I don't care if I don't one-shot it. I want to 90% it before Trey gets off his Comet Azure. You know what I'm saying? Stream Rock rules, Jay. Thank you, my brother. We had a really cool chess stream today, man. Really had a cool... Okay, I talked to this guy, but just because you talk to him doesn't mean he goes to the Rose Church. I talked to the last one, guys. And he never went to the Rose Church. Or maybe he already wasn't... No, because I NG plussed my Reduvia daggers. Okay, is he done? If you see Okay, guys. Sorry, buddy. I'm not gonna like wait for him to path in a productive spot. What's up, buddy? I took a hit, folks. The no-hit run has been tarnished. Very entertaining battle with the Savage Grandmaster earlier. Oh yeah, man! I played a FIDE Master today, guys, and I did better. Here's the thing: when you're bad at chess, you might think you're winning and you're losing. You might think you're losing and you're winning. But the better you get at chess, the better idea you have of if you're winning or losing. It's called assessing the position, guys. It's a very important part of the process. A whole nother thing is analyzing in your brain at all the pieces moving and then looking at that position and evaluating that, whether it's good for you or bad for you. You know what I mean? And the better chess player you are, the better you are at that. I don't need anything from you, buddy. I don't need anything. I don't need any. What happens when you kill Santa Claus? Has anyone ever killed Santa Claus? That he seems like the one you just don't kill.
Goodbye.
You know what I mean? Do you get poopies on your hand or something? If you guys, we promised lightning cheese, and that's what we're giving right now, folks. We're heading to Market. It's a process. Adam, what's up, my brother? Yeah, so I played FIDE Master David Bassett today, Adam, and I felt like I was losing a hell of a lot earlier than I was. He said you were okay until the end game, and isn't that right? What did Hans Niemann say to Eric Rosen as I stood there, right there, guys? I was watching him play. Hans says, you know how you beat an IM, an international master? That's what Eric Rosen is. You know how you beat an IM? You drag him into the end game. And that's what, and Hans is a grandmaster. And Hans dragged him into the end game. And he played a better end game, because that's one of the big differences between IMs and grandmasters is the end game knowledge, right? It's everything's probably a step above, but and so sure enough, I was okay in the opening because I memorized a lot of that stuff and a lot of the ideas. I was kind of okay in the middle game, but I felt like I was losing my thread and couldn't really find the right ideas. But I really didn't do anything that was losing until the end game. Then the poopy started hitting the fan, guys. He's a FIDE Master, very strong chess player, folks. Very strong chess player. I asked him after the game.
Then it's settled.
It's settled. Give me a horse. I already have a horse. Why am I even talking to her? What do we just pass time till morning? In the endgame, Lord. I'm the endgame Lord, but I chat. Kidding. No, that's okay, man. What's going on, Adam? How you doing today, man? I wanted to resurrect the lightning. I wanted to live it again the same way I relived the big bonk build, folks. We ran through the game with the big bonk build. And I wanted to run through this again because Elden Ring. Elden freaking Ring. Whoa, whoa. He just called his friends, folks. These things at some point should stop appearing at the trees, man. What if because Adam has a max level character. Adam, what if like when DLC comes out, like you could do something with the golden seeds? Now, I don't need to grab this, right? I might come back for something though, man. And I don't need any of this, right? This is whoa, 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 whoa. That dog jumped up onto the poopy. I mean, okay, like for instance, probably we're not going to need summons. But what if in our NG plus 9 playthrough at some point we decide we want to level up some summons that I don't... Oh my god. Sorry, buddy.
But can you take...
Dude, did she just have a protective barrier?
Be glad of your company, I think. The little...
Dude, like those dogs. I guess. Oh my God, there's more. What's with the dogs? Is this like an NG plus 9 thing? Is this a freaking NG plus 9 thing? Where like these dogs are extra aggressive and now all of a sudden like they're attacking you? I'd be excited, says Billy, because I have 56 golden seeds and sacred tears. Right, that's what I'm saying. I'll be joining their club.
Tell them I'm fine again.
Got you. All right, guys. Marge. We're going to go see Marge. Okay? We're going to go see Marge. So golden bow is really the only good thing to have. Huh? I mean, without the positioning and stuff, you know, in other words, I got hit, guys. I got hit. I got to learn the range. Home on the range. Excuse me, sir. Jump over your head. Where the deer and the antelope play. Dragon Bolt Blessing as well, says Billy. That's the one that Drew was talking about that. And when things hit me, they bounce off. Like, as long as Margit's not going to do lightning damage, but he said lightning damage could do
But now you can see the rays upon the cliff.
could jack me up.
The rays of then the Elden as an ally prays.
Let's get Dragon Bolt Blessing up on the
The rays and the Elden as an ally prays.
gonna melt a Margit. Yeah, Margit's got no chance.
Upon the pandemic, if the rays of then the Elden as an ally pray that to face.
Okay, memorize spell, folks. Dragon Bolt Rock and Roll. Let me look for something that looks like this one here. Bikes Dragon. Dragon Bolt Blessing. Bolsters caster's body with lightning. Alright. Cool. Why not? Now, I don't think I'm going to summon. I know what you're saying. Charlie, you're not a good Souls player. Summon. No, I think I got this, guys. Beginning the buffing sequence for Morgot. Or Margit. Drink this one first. Dragon Bolt Blessing. Will I do more damage if I two-hand the seal? I bet I will. Okay. Oh, wait, we gotta get the spell up. Dragon Bolt Blessing effectively turns you into those rock dudes in Prince of Peace, but can't stack with Flame Grant Me Strength. I'm not using Flame Grant Me Strength, though. Should I be using it?
Emboldened by the flame of ambition.
Yeah. I'm gonna extinguish your flame there, buddy. I blew it.
Well, thou art of passing skill.
I blew the cheese, guys.
Truly run in thy veins.
I blew the cheese. What did I do wrong? What did I do wrong? Was I not close enough? You should use Flame Grant Me Strength to increase damage. Okay, yeah. I'll do that instead. Jack and Retailer, it's a new old build. We brought back the lightning cheese. And I wasn't I should two-hand the seal though, right guys? Oh wait. We gotta learn our we're gonna Flame Grant Me Strength for sure. FGMS. Oh no, she's gonna talk more. I wanna play Elden Ring. I'm a Souls player.
I can take gathering place.
Oh my God, what does she keep talking to me for? Memorize spell. Replace this one with the little thing called FGMS. There we go. Okay. You should... Not sure about two-handing. Don't think two-hand affects anything. Okay. Well, because then I can just keep my sword in my hand. But it's like... I should be casting from my right hand or from my left hand? Does it matter? Does it matter? Oh, so just both. I have both seals equipped, but take them both out, you mean? So which hand do I cast from? I hope you tell me quick, because I'm buffing up. Oh, okay. Okay. Here we go, guys. Try again.
Well, thou art of passing skill. Warrior blood must truly run thy veins for these.
I didn't get it. Ah! Something's wrong. Something's wrong. Something's broken. Something's broken, guys. Something's broken. This cheese bill sucks! I'm never going to be able to dodge 2 attacks. We might as well delete the character right now. But see, if I'm just holding the seal, if it's equipped, is that not good enough? I keep this thing out so I can if it's not going to one-shot, I mean, I guess what I could do is use the summon for the distraction, right? So I can, because my friend Roger is willing to help. He's willing to step in and be a little guinea pig for me. Roger, I just want you to get his attention. Too bad I do have a Black Knife Tish. I should probably just summon a Black Knife Tish, because Tish will run right at him like a psycho. Right? Okay, we're going to try this again. I'm going to let Roger get a little aggro. We're not going to have a lot of time for buffs, though. Okay, going in. It was too far away. Am I not? Am I? I think I'm attacking it with the wrong hand, guys. I think I got to go right hand. No? Okay, so I think I... That just was very unsatisfying. You know what I'm saying? I expected more. Thank you, Roger, for being my guinea pig. There is a talisman that gives greatly enhances potency of incantations, I believe. Yeah, Billy, I've got everything right, man. I've got the Flock Canvas Talisman. That's the hard one to get. That's the one you got to do Millicent's entire quest line. Greatly raises potency of incantations. We have the raises lightning attack, lightning scorpion charm. We have ritual sword talisman, raises attack power when HP is at max. And we have enhances charge, spells, and skills. Can I shoot? If I do this, my seal's in my left hand. If I do my right hand, that's my sword. Charge, do I have to hit shift? Or do I just hold it down? I wasn't charging it. I wasn't okay. Next guy, next boss. Oh, he's screwed, guys. The next boss is screwed, blued, and tattooed because I didn't charge it. I didn't charge it. I didn't charge it. Yeah, E left click, right click, right to two-handed, but I don't know if I need to, guys, I didn't charge it. Okay, you say having it, but do I have to equip them, Drew? Or you're saying no? Because should I have the talisman out? God, what a joke, man. What a joke, guys. I didn't charge it. I didn't charge it. I'm like, why isn't this working? This is not even cheese. Yeah, the boss had no chance. You gotta charge it, man. Yes, equip in both hands, and I'll do more damn.
You there? Come over here, would you? It's time.
Should we go through the gate? I'll tell you something. What's that, Assassin's Gambit or whatever? Do you guys know I have never in my life had that spell where it makes you like invisible?
You're just the kind of top. What's it to you? Wasted brat. She's tarnished.
I never had it. We're going the back way. We're gonna kill the knight, guys. What did I do? Shut up, man. I'm sorry, dude. I'm sorry for being rude after killing him. I guess if you must kill a man, it costs you nothing to be nice, right? But I didn't like that guy. Everyone tells me he steals my rooms. Equip in both hands. Wait. Equip one in each hand, or equip... Are you saying pan, like with an N? You want one seal in each hand, is what you're saying, right? The Hokey Pokey. Assassin's Gambit with hidden body sorcery causes invaders to have difficulty targeting you. Really, Drew? This I did not know of. Guys, I didn't charge it on Margit, man. I'm such a bad Souls player. Guys, you gotta learn how to cheese stuff if you want to be good like me. And I screwed it up really bad. I'm not taking the loot. He didn't get to call his friends. Well, that cost me a health pot. I dodged the first attack, which is I felt pretty impressed with. I kind of impressed myself. What's up, sister? The whole room is following me, guys. I feel like I'm being chased. Oh, that's a ghost. Right there. Yeah, I think you should walk back where you came from. You need a little thing called lantern. So you see them in... Yeah. So you see them. One in each hand. Like this. Okay, I don't know if I'm going to be able to charge... with this fool. Coming out. Oh god. That was a mistake. I'm trying to get my weapon up. Everything's gone to hell, guys. I drank my freaking flask. I didn't buff. Where's the door? It's right there. Did I double up on one of those? Wish me luck. I have to drink because I think my flask might be gone. He comes out, right? He comes out, right? He's just stuck in the door. Boom! What happened? It's not working! It doesn't work on him! It doesn't work on him, guys. Now we gotta fight him like an adult. How come it's not working on him? Does this work on you, buddy? He's like unhurtable. He was one hit. Oh, that's so weird. It's like the room stops the spell. Yeah, I almost killed him right there with my sword, man. I just went for it. Yeah. Okay, well. Let's just run back up. Let's go back. Jack. Do it again. Dude. I'm not even gonna kill you for ratting, buddy. Stan. What's up, sissy? Well, you throw fire at me, bro. Not cool. Not cool. We got to get the lazy guy. Your friends are working down there, you know. It's going to cost you. Okay, so, oh, the door's right here. Huh? It's already open. My runes are in there like freaking... There's no way! I gotta run back. Gungnir is probably the best Ash if you use one since he lowers enemy damage negation. Do I like already have the key or something? Isn't the key glowing in that room, guys? I didn't pick it up, right? This guy. I know I can just ignore him and grab the key, but I didn't see the key. Oh my god, are you serious? How'd that guy get so far ahead? It's like they knew I was coming. I'm gonna drink before I go in. Their timing is all off right now. Oh god. Now we're downstairs. Oh, I screwed it up, guys. I screwed up the parkour scenario. Almost fell again. They're throwing poopies at me. You hit me. This guy wants to... You really want to come that hard at me, bro? I got a poker. This guy right here. It's okay, I got health pots before the door. Let's put on a little, Sorry, guys, that's pretty dark. Okay. William Snake says LFG. What's up, dude? Whoa. Okay, now. I am going to buff, even though I'm not going to use... and I actually could put this on. But, oh, it's right. It is right there. He's not hard, guys. He's not hard. Once you know that he's gonna, whoa, that he's gonna try and hurt you. I'm going the, I feel like I'm going the wrong. If I could just, I want to go back to the, you know, spot where the, that's, we got it, guys. Yeah. Okay. No one's chasing me up the ladder. They'll get pretty ideal to steal aggro. Oh. Hear me out, hear me out. Great shield warriors. Ash summon. What's that noise I just heard? What's that noise? Oh, it's the guy downstairs, huh? I don't need him, huh? Ah! I just almost fell. I panicked and hit R instead of, guys, because I want a glass shard. I had to get a glass shard, guys. Okay, now that we can do the charge attack, great Shield Warrior's Ash Summon. Let's see if I have it. We could go maybe level 1 up. Although, we might be low on Super Gloveworts. Hey, don't ever freaking scare me like that again, buddy. Jump scares freak me out. This guy is going to be really tricky, so let's just go ahead and be sure he's not a problem. Now, this guy up here, I don't usually kill him, guys. This one, we're going to kill. With our sword, I bet. Yeah, with our sword. And a little, you know, a couple buffs. Golden Wow. When I use it, guys, it's called Golden Wow. Dude, that dude used to, like, I remember that guy being harder than that. That'd be pretty ideal to steal aggro. Great Shield Warrior's Ash. I would argue Dung Eater would be a better tank. Lasts longer and buff your incants, essentially, which it typically does. I have a Dung Eater on this character. Oh, I got them all. So maybe just pull the Ding Dong out right before we pull the next boss. I think I know, guys. I'm not going to look down. I'm just going to make the jump. Hey! There we go. I'm glad I'm a good Souls player. You saw the cheese, right? Come on. That guy's like a monster. He's not supposed to, like, have enough knowledge to, like, hear the horn and defend the castle. You know what I mean? Dude, no! I went to do my big attack on that fool, and it didn't work. Yeah, I would try Great Shield Soldiers sometime to see how well they do. Well, if I have them, they're probably not leveled up to the appropriate snuff for a player of my caliber. Inventorio. Where's the, here. They're called... Great Shield. It's not all those little guys with the shields, is it? Great Shield Soldier Ashes. Plus 10. I got them. We're using them on the next boss. No! I just wasted a Starlight Shard. And I don't have a lot left. That's upsetting. Yeah, we got some level 10. These are the ones that Trey turned me onto. Yeah. If they'll be good for distraction, that's what we're talking about. Now we're going to go like this, and we're going to shoot the freaking Marty birds. Fully charged, folks! There's only one bird, right? Or is there a second bird? Oh, I see him. Dude, when you charge this thing up, it's kind of cool. What's up, buddy? This is what I try to do to your friend. Okay, I'm learning the range. Oh, I still didn't... I said I'm learning the range, and then I didn't do the range. Okay, what if I do it right on top of you? Do you die now? Foolio. Speaking of Foolio, let's talk to Nefelio. What's up, Nefelio? Yeah, you keep talking. I'm gonna grab the loot. Yeah, no, I hear you. I'm sure the guy was a great warrior. Yeah. You're a real nice lady. All you gotta do is talk to her, right? Do I have to exhaust all dialogue like she exhausts me? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. We wasted that freaking... My man is probably still regenning from that starlight shard. She talks way too much, guys. Guys, here we go. Ready? Rolling down. Ancient dragon. I wanted to get it off at all costs. I didn't even care. Now I gotta shoot the freaking birds again? No, because I already talked to Nefelio, so I can just run past the freaking birds. Yeah, so I guess I'm really gonna have to rely on my summons to distract them. I can just run through the birds, guys. I can run through the freaking birds. Because the reason the birds are a problem is because of Nefeli. Woo! He was already on the move. He was already on the move, guys. Dude, that is a beautiful bird spell. Yeah, these guys are just jokes. Just run, Charlie. Just run. Don't think I'm not gonna pick up my runes though after that. After what these fools did to me. I got the grace. It's too late, buddy. Okay, we're gonna try the Great Ashes. The Great... Oh my god. Are they... The guy sounds like he's outside. Is he mad? If you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar plays. We play Elden Ring After Dark, folks. We got more summons here. I'm gonna just... I almost feel like I don't want to use that because I don't want too many people in the room. You know what I'm saying? I don't need any witnesses to what about what's about to happen here. Okay. Drinking. Granting me some strength. Granting me some vow. Go in, right? Okay, and then I'm gonna summon Soldier Boy. Come on, Soldier Boys. We're burning flasks over here. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. I'm doing something wrong. We got some damn off. I feel like it's not popping like it should be. I feel like I'm doing something wrong with the charging. You know what I'm saying? That was way too hard. That was way too hard. I have to drink my flask later, I think. It's not fun when, like, they don't just die instantly. You know what I mean? Is there a grace here? I got the Great Rune. That'll be good. Yep, here we go. We got this. Now, like, what's our next... What, we got some dragons or something? My problem is, like... I need to... Because my Cerulean tier, hidden tier thing doesn't... How long does that last? What do we say? Like 10 seconds or 20 seconds? It doesn't last very long, right? Is this the unlimited mana comment Azure thing? Well, they are stronger from being NG plus 10 now as well, right? Take that with a grain of salt. You did this run with NG 5. Billy, you bring up a good point. You bring up a good point. Which actually Could make it a challenge then. Yeah, 15 seconds, man. 15 seconds. Yeah, so I need to, like, go in there. I can buff, run in, summon the Soldier Ash guys. Maybe get involved. Get the ashes on the boss. Back up, drink, and go. Right? That's probably my order of operations. Do you agree? Put my int 299, says Justin. You did? Oh, hear me out, hear me out. Great Shield Warrior Ash Summon. Yeah, it's one we use, man. Oh yeah, I don't really need this Sacred Tier, but I am going to be giving this guy 10 bucks. Hey, you need a few bucks, buddy? Sure, 10 runes. There you go, man. You're welcome, Tops. Yeah, man. Just keep on begging for money, buddy. Okay. Next boss is not really a boss. It's a dragon. We got a little bit of riding to do. Carry a mana. We could run right to Loretta and just kill Loretta right quick. That's all we really got to do there, right? And then 50% dragons shouldn't be a problem. And then we're la 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 la. And I don't even know that Flask is going to come in handy at all for Renala, right? Unless I really drink it right at the perfect time for phase 1 or something. I don't need any... I've already been... This was the character I think we finished off most of our platinum with. So, I just always want to look like, yeah, I got your cookbook, buddy. I got your cookbook. I don't want to buy no cookbook no more. I don't want to buy your cookbook. Oh, yeah. Okay. Should we try... I don't need to go in these ruins. There's no boss there anyway. We're heading northwest. There's a Grace. The Emmanuel Lasker ruins. Okay. Oh my god. How come the other day there was loot right here? Hey, we just iframed the freaking Now, she's northwest from the Lascar ruins, right? Is this her? It's not her. That's the Portal. Where's our girlfriend, guys? Where's our hunchbacked girlfriend? Where's the hunt? Found her!
Hello.
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 Stand up straight, please.
Could I ask that thug?
Stand up straight, please.
If you've got to bless a thug, please.
Oh, okay.
Please.
We got this.
Please.
I
must have the necklace back.
For some reason, I feel like one day, I don't know where I'm getting the vibe that she's just going to tell me, like, she turns into a lizard at night. You know what I mean? I know that's weird. Like, let's do something smart. Oh, she's right there. I got to remember. Everyone always says that she's right by the telescope. And guess who never looks at the telescope? Is this Deathrite Bird Rock? Oh, it's daytime. Ain't gonna see no Deathrite birds in the dark, right, folks? Deathrite bird after dark only. This looks like a nice little boiled prawn shack we could maybe investigate. Got it. Okay, so just run back to the freaking... to the telescope, guys. What's up, buddy?
Show me. Now consider I'm not in love. You're a first.
I got one.
All right.
It said number held 1.
Things.
Yeah, there you go, buddy. I just got to go back to get my invitation to Vicaria Manor. And then we'll port back here and continue on to the next cheese. The first boss, though, the Grafted Scion, he cheesed like a good boy. I'm hoping cheese works better. For armor, I'm thinking get lightning themed stuff would be good, like Lendel Knight armor, maybe, or Draconic Tree Sentinel, or a mix of those two. Is there anything else? You know what? Any of that sounds great, because this dude looks like... Oh, man, come on, dude. This dude looks like crap.
You will only tire by striking this barrier.
I didn't freaking strike you, man! I fell out the door and I came back in typical chick.
Think this over. I see that you have reconsidered.
Oh my god.
Please. Thank you. Did I forget? I see you are very to study such strengths.
She's like, you're hitting me. No, I'm not hitting you, man. I fell out the freaking window. All of a sudden, I'm a freaking misogynist.
At the base was I have faith. I do hope.
I hope we meet again too.
At the base it was I have faith. I do hope.
Yeah, hopefully we get everything straightened out. Like Equipmentorio head. You were saying like Lendel Knight armor. Would that be like down here? Pretty good stuff. Say Lendel Knight armor. Lendel. Oslo. Clean Rot, Haligtree, Lendel Knight. I don't see it. Lendel Soldier Helm. Is that what you're talking about? Lendel Soldier Helm. Would that be the one? I tell you, it looks better already. Let's check the. Let's check a little bit more, guys. This one here, we're not doing jump attacks. Haligtree could work because it looks cool. Is there a whole Haligtree armor set? Let's try it. Equipmentorio, guys, we're building this sucker, man. Haligtree helm. Equipmentorio. Haligtree clothes. Haligtree. Night Monkey armor. Perfumer. Haligtree robe. They don't put them in I'm looking, but I don't know if I have it. Gold Mess. Fur Raiment Maria. Sanguine Omen Killer. Looking. Is there no chest? Well, I meant for him. Let's still check Lendel other stuff. Oh, okay. Well, let's look then. Oh, there's a Haligtree surcoat. Okay, so I did find the Haligtree thing. But the Lendel stuff, it was... I should sell all this stuff so when I want to find something, I don't have it. Lendel, Malformed, Beast, Crucible, Omen, Bullgate. Yeah. I don't know if I have it, man. Unless it's like... Will it be at the top if the head was at the top? It'll be at the top too. Looking. Lendel Knight armor. These are orange robes. Malform could work because he does lightning. Does it look good? I have no idea where Malformed was. I'm just looking for Lendel 1. So Malformed is the one we will check. I think I could find it. Yeah, I don't think I have Lendel robes. Wait. Vulgar. Monkey armor. Okay, that's not right. Yeah. Okay, wait. I'm gonna find it. The malformed armor, white reed, black flame, clean rot, raging wolf. It's like, how do people? Is this what? When you guys play the game, do you have to just do this when you're like looking for stuff? They should put a definite search bar. Did I pass it? Jason, what's up, man? Jason Staffen, how's it going tonight, dude? Welcome to the stream. Malformed dragon armor. Okay, wait. Now let's look. Let's take a quick look. See, now we're starting to look like something. Now let's get some pantalones, guys. Ooh, and we're gonna have to get hands too, because these hands are not working. Those bull goat things, man. Do we want malformed? Or do we want, what are we looking for? Hands. Caleb, what's up, dude? I'm trying to get raging wolf something right now. Such a tight foot. Such a tight fight. Yeah, hands, man. Any idea on hands? On the hands? I passed the hands. Looking. Malachus, all-knowing. Wait. I can do it. Got him. Let's see what they look like. Oh, yeah. Wait. I don't want to read the damn message. I want to see the hands. Okay, man, we need... So they're going to be at the bottom, right? They're going to be toward the bottom like everything else was. Malformed dragon. Yeah, dude. Thank you, Drew. This looks way better. It looks way better. Now we can ride out of here in style. Nah, I'm cool with this, man. I'm feeling pretty good. What's up, Staffen? How you doing, my friend? Oh, wait. We can port. We can port here because it's closer to where we want to go. The malformed helm is going to be at the bottom because all the other... There we go. Oh, yeah. I don't really like that helm. I don't like that look. That long-headed look. No. I don't like the way that looks. We used the Lendl one, right? And it was toward the top, wasn't it? Or further up than I thought it would be. It was right over here somewhere, right? I think I saw that one of these freaky heads. Right here. Haligtree helm. I'm cool with that. I'm cool with that. It doesn't have to match perfect. Drew says, yeah, it does look good, though. Might want to try Haligtree Knight. Same as the other. Nah. I like to play the game. I like to dress up my characters like little Barbie dolls, guys. Like little pumpkin pie haircutted freaks. The problem is, I kind of only like to do it to a certain extent. Then I'm done. Like, what's that thing called in World of Warcraft? Transmog? Yeah. I mean, people spend time on that. People spend time on that, folks. Whoa. Snitches get stitches, guys! Careful now. Snitches will, in fact, get stitches if you're not careful. See, like the Rose freaking Church is going to be over here. And what's-his-face won't even freaking be there. Isn't there another little thing over here? Another Gretcha? Where's the other Gretcha? The folly at the lake. I don't see it. I feel lost right now. Hey! It's not it though, it's got a statue in it. I mean, it's got loot. Smithing too. Yeah. Okay. Dragon Key is going to be this way. So let's kind of head north. We'll grab the Grace. More important. Oh my god, these things are on to me, folks. They're like I don't need any octopi hearts. because I know where to get them. All right. Cat, help me beat Radagon. Nice, Caleb. Good job. Yeah, Cat's good, man. Templar thing. The Knights Templar Grace. That's cool, man. I love that. Hey, Carlos Mauricio Gomez followed. That follow has to be Facebook 10 minutes ago. Carlos, thank you. Even though it's a follow on Facebook. You know, you feel what I'm saying? That is beautiful. Okay. Now, we'll try the soldiers and we'll try and... Wait, where's the... Oh, he's right here. I always lose my bearings. I'm going to run in on this fool. And put the full poopies on him. And then I'm going to probably bolt him to death from there. You know what I'm saying? Where's he? Oh, I did the wrong button again. What? Why won't it charge? I didn't do the wrong button. I don't know, man. I know most people would say that that was a pretty dirty cheese. I'm not impressed. You know what I mean? Am I doing the wrong hand? But if I do it from this hand... Wait. I don't understand. So that's it. What do we need? Something's wrong. Something's wrong because why do I need that cerulean tear thing? Look how much mana this is using. I think I have to do it from my right hand, but I don't understand. Why won't it let me shoot this from my right hand? Do you see what I'm saying? I feel like something's wrong. Is this we use that cerulean tear thing because it's like a comma de jour where you want unlimited mana for the thing. I understand what you're saying, but how do I charge it? How do I charge it? A mouse and keyboard, I swear I hit... Okay, let me see. Watch. I'm just going to hit my left mouse button. Well, okay. Let's go ahead and get the... I'm going to hit my left mouse button. Just touch it. Now I'm going to hit shift and the left mouse button. So that charges it, but what are we using the cerulean tear thing for? Drew, I might have accidentally picked Holy. Let's check it. You know me. Lightning shrouded crack tier temporarily boosts lightning attacks. And I don't remember this build, so I watched a YouTube video and I have all the equipment because I had this all set up before. But he's saying cerulean hidden tier, but I charged one of these. Why am I using that for? Why am I using that tier? It doesn't do anything. It gives me infinite free mana for how long? For 10 seconds or would you say 15 seconds or something? Look, watch, start counting. This doesn't use hardly any mana. See what I'm saying? Why would I waste a tier on this? See what I'm saying? Look at this. Any boss in a game, and if Fire Giant was just laying down right now, he'd probably be close to dead. If he would definitely be in phase 2. Yeah. I mean, look how much mana we have. Finally ran out. Yeah, so I'm not sure about that tier. That's why it makes me feel like I'm doing the charge spell wrong. But no. Nope. That was the spell. That was the spell. Which way am I going? I always go the wrong way, guys. I gotta go south. E. Yeah. Maybe the physics dip breaks. That would be better, yeah. Whoa. What the hell? Huh. The one that breaks stance could be fun. It's only used for spells that are consistently held, like Astral Meteor or Is there really? Yeah. Yeah, so see, it's been so long since I used this build, guys. And I think the video I watched, I think the guy, he got all the other things right. The spell and the trinkets and the lightning thing makes sense in my physics. But even then I was like, huh. Oh, God, no. Makes me want to go back and kill him with my lightning build. Oh, yeah, see, I usually do run la 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 before I do so I know it's over here somewhere. I can never find it, folks. Is it here? Found it, Ma! Yeah, I think that Cerulean Hidden Tier is not for this build. They try and time the poopies, so you loot poopies and you get hit by poopies. You know what I mean? That's bad. This build... I just don't remember the other physic. Dude, you know if you can bring summon cooperators into Raging Wolf Invasion since it's an NPC. What is it? Raging Wolf Invasion. I feel like I should go do carry a mana first, guys. I found a simple map. Thank you. I'm not going to check anything in inventory. Don't tell me what to do there, buddy. The 4 French fries. Yeah, we got to go get the 4 French fries, guys. We got a little riding to do, folks. We're going to go to the 4 French fries, okay? It's almost... Wow, you know, the higher you go in these levels, right? I'm starting to think like... Yeah, those are the French fries up there, right? The higher you go in levels, like, the less the Albionics farm really means to you, right? Is this Patchy's other home, guys? What'd I get? I didn't even see my loot. I thought Patches was going to be here. You gotta kill him first? Or scare him or something? It's how you get the Raging Wolf set. Bernal's Quest at Volcano Manor. Ah. Okay. Oh my god. No, that's him. He got away. I think he was going to be down there so long. I mean, I didn't really want it, but... I kind of wanted it. This is the way to the 4 French fries, folks. If you don't know how to get there, stick with me. We're going to go to the 4 French fries. We're going to get a stone sword key imbued. We're going to open a freaking door. In case we ever want to farm runes. I don't see that ever happening on my NG plus 9. That's not going to happen. Although, we got him a few levels last NG plus. And it might be kind of cool to, why do I feel like I'm going through the 7 layers of the Jellyfield Forest, folks? Maybe get him up to 500. What's max level? 713 or something? Like, guys, it takes forever, man. Right now it's like 25 swipes or something for a freaking level. I didn't take the right shortcut, folks. And I keep running the wrong door, too. That's not the right French fry. Nor is this one or this one. Well, this is the right one to open the blood Maiden's Blood Church thing. Yeah, that's an official term, folks. Stormhawk feathers. Yeah, don't need them. Okay. Do I rest? She still wants me to go back to the volcano Manor, guys. But I don't know if I want to. Grab that. Get the imbued stone sword key. Beat the duo. That's how you get original set. Beat the duo, he said. Beat the duo. The German says, wait here. 3 amigos. Anyone? Mexican bar scene. Okay, we got a pather. We got a pather, guys. He's gonna jack with us a little bit, I think. Is there a jump down? I feel like it's always a little bit too far for me, for someone of my stature. Now we really got some serious Jellyfield Forest. All 7 layers, folks. Right here. Beat the duo. I beat them. Godskin duo. I speak in riddles sometimes. Oh, you just beat the Godskin duo. Nice. Did you sleep, Potion? Did you summon nummins? I'm not getting that loot, guys. It always gets me killed! The glintstone freaking glintstones! The glintstone people are after me, folks. They say Stream Rock is the best horse riding music ever. Just get immersed. While I try and drive in a straight line. There's no way he's going to have the range on that. No, he didn't. Let's Stream Rock up this for the win, folks! That was awesome. Stream Rock. No sleep, definitely summons. Use Burn All and like Dung Eater or something? What'd you do, man? What'd you do? Talk to me. How'd you make it happen? The first boss was a total freaking cheese, guys. Margit was easy. And really, God Rick, or whatever his name is, he was easy too. But it wasn't quite the cheese I was looking for. You know what I'm saying? Guys, I'm not going to break the door. You got to know the jump, folks. Ah! Woo! That was tight, bro. That was tight. Bernal and Mimi. Nice. Should we get some sombers? Some walking around sombers? No. We don't have to go to Round Table Hold, right, guys? Can you burn the Erd Tree before you go to Round Table Hold? Ever? Whoa, 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 whoa. Come on. Guys, we're going to speed run to Ah! Dude, that was RNG right there. This is very aggressive blue poopies. I've never had it this aggressive before. Has anyone ever been melted by those things? Like just they hit you 4 times or something? Whoa. Calm down, blue poopies. If you're new to the stream, you like what you see, my name's Charlie. I'm trying to get the subs upward. I'd love to be looking at 1,000, but right now, I just want to hit 750. You know what I'm saying? So if you guys like what you see, throw me a sub. I would totally appreciate it. At this point, whoa. I don't have fire. Whoa. Used poison spear with poison cloud to get talisman poison buff for 20% damage. Flame grab restraint, golden bow. Got him second try. Nice. Would somebody shoot a purple poopy at me, please? Thank you. That was kind of fun. It's on command, folks. The one-eyed, orange flying, purple people poopy. Yeah, write that one down. Okay. Guys, because we need, what's like a somber 4 or something? Smithing stone 4, yeah. Because we need it. Just taking the graces so we don't have to run back when we die. We're not going to die, guys. We're going to cheese. Should we cheese the guy in the steps? I mean, if you're ever going to kill the guy in the steps... Whoa. Wanted the wrong door, right? No. It's right here. It's just the time of day, guys. I would kill you, but I don't have time. I would kill you, but I'm streaming, so... Last night, I screamed at the top of my lungs, guys. Get her, kill her. I was talking about Renala. But I'm like, you know, if someone was driving by... Whoa. If someone was driving by and they heard that, that could be a problem. It's a video game. Light it up for the fam. There we go. Looking good, feeling good. I look respectable here. Unlike that ding-dong-dung I was wearing earlier. That stuff... I don't know, man. It's just hard to be proud of yourself. When you're trying to kill a freaking Elden beast, and you keep dying, and you're getting like, you're getting random belly flop results. What's up, puppy? I'm not gonna kill your sister. I'm gonna let her live. Because I'm a nice freaking guy. I wonder how... Oh, what do we have, guys? We have fun stuff. Well, it seemed fun till it didn't reach. This one's probably gonna tell on us. He's coming. Come on. Come on, little soldier boy. I didn't freaking charge it. I'm out of mana. How come I'm out of mana? Well, you know, it's dirty, man. It's dirty. It's dirty. One of those times, I think it did the right thing because it used my mana all up. But I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Anyone understand? FG me some S. G with the V. Drink. Drink. A lot of flasks. I'm golden vowing. I charged the crap out of it too. I mean, it felt pretty good. 50%. It's fun. It's fun. I expected more. Charlie, you've been hauled down to the police station. Get to kill her, Caleb. Yeah, I hope your house has good. It doesn't, man. It doesn't. That's just the thing. Oh, past time till morning. This is just depressing and dark. I'm a fool. That was rough, guys. Wait, past time. That's the whole point. I even freaking laid down, guys. Past time until the morning comes. Even the morning comes. Leave. Okay, it's a little dark in here anyway. We don't have enough for a level, so we don't have to worry about that. Raging Wolf set acquired. Hey, Billy. Jeez Louise. Nice, dude. You took care of it. Now, this was for doing... You said the Bernal's quest for Volcano Manor or something? Oh, he's right there. Jeez. These things are going to get melted by all things large and poopy. Where is he? He's right there. You lucky son of a gun. I was going to get the full one off. Go! Oh, I almost killed it! I almost killed it! Dang. Now, that would be a fun thing to do. That'd be a fun thing to do. Get a couple of builds like this and run underneath and see if we can kill it. People have killed that dragon before, right? It's a side mission during Volcano Manor invasions for Tanit. Bernal gives you his own recusant letter after the second invasion. You invade a world in Lindell at the real realm to behold. Yeah! Oh, at the okay, it's not that invasion at like right near there. That's in like that big church, right? And you fight like you get a helper, and you have to fight. You have to like do a duos against the other guys, right? Dragon says nope. He got out while he knew where the getting was good. He's supposed to leave at 50%. That's why I call him the 50% dragon. Well, 50% came and went. Yeah. Yeah, those are fun. Okay, let's go.
As though I have no reason intriguing. Wilt thou? I am the witch that I might well. I see. Thou art, what I require is I anticipate.
Does anyone understand what she's saying? Just like she speaks in incomplete sentences.
Heed not, I'm sure.
I don't understand it. The game is broken.
Thou needs, it hath been a...
Game's broken, folks. I don't remember that dialogue, though, seriously, when she said, like, no reason. Did I come to her too fast? He felt the damage and bailed out Sanji. Psh, I'm telling you, man. I don't even know. I'm just like, I don't know any of this. I'm like, okay, talk to Ranny, talk to the 3 guys, go back to Ranny, talk to Selvius's. You know, I'm just doing it. I go through the motions, folks. I'm just going through the motions.
Glad to have you. Well, I'm situated in the Eternals. I'm planning to go see if I can.
Good. Nice chit-chatting with you. Guy, everyone loves to talk to. This is my favorite NPC in the game.
I don't know what since I asked. Common pain should, if it were up, but who am I?
Yeah, man, he's my favorite NPC in the game, guys. I really like him. Cat is here. Cat and Caleb took Millennia out, I hear. That is amazing. Cat's got skills, bro. Cat, we brought back the lightning cheese. It's not quite as cheesy yet. I think every boss is going to be a little bit different. It's still going to do pretty good. Come on, run nah.
I shall soon, it will be this doll's...
Get up! Go to bed!
And it will be some time before I wake.
Miles and miles before I sleep too, lady. Yeah, great. See ya. Okay. We are gonna go do the South Raylicaria Gate. We're gonna go do Rana la 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 la. This should be fun. We get orange dog too, right? Nothing like a little orange dog to get the blood pumping. Oh, you guys did Radagon also, huh? And Elden Beast, both of them? You mean you finished the game? It's at the bottom of the real round table hold where Albrecht invades you. Huh. I'm trying to remember if I did that. Guys, I saw Dennis March today on the Facebook stream. I'm like, you know we moved the After Darks to YouTube, right? He said, no, I didn't know that. I don't know. Guys, I think... Whoa, I almost tripped off the world. What I think I need to do, guys, literally, is go back and do more streaming on Facebook. And tell more people... Dude, I even have a horse. I mean, a knife. I think I need to. I think everyone didn't get the memo. Caleb beat the game again. Cool, man. Oh, that's your first play. Your first. Was that your first win, Caleb? Congratulations, either way. Anytime you kill Elden Beast, I think it's a good day. Uh-oh, bad timing and bad placement. Good. We're going to go see a red dog, folks. I built up my stamina especially for that fool. Streamrock comes in as we're running the gauntlet, folks. Man, I remember dropping down there and being scared and like taking out the archers. I mean, I did. Maybe you didn't. But this guy's so big he gets tired, like running for no reason. Okay. Why must I loot? I'll loot. I got it through, folks. Dude, your first playthrough. Congratulations on that. The dog almost made it up on my freaking platform, folks. Alright, moving forward, grab the grace. Now we gotta start looking towards the dogs. Let's rest. Probably a good move, right? That just tells you it's been a while since they seen a stream. No, he came into the chess stream. Yeah, he came into the chess stream, but he didn't realize that After Dark's moved here, and I think some people didn't. I think some people might be like, oh, I guess Charlie's just not playing Elden Ring anymore at night. You know what I'm saying? Everyone does not by default just follow you over, but sometimes they will. You know, I mean, a lot of people do. We got buffed. Cute little soldier boys. He's never gonna stand too. Oh my god, I meant to drink. Alright! Now we're gaming. Now we're playing Souls games as intended. Yeah, baby. That's the cheese I was looking for, folks. That's the cheese I was looking for. Feel pretty good about that. Red Dog. Challenge? Question mark? I think I might need to put on my, Oh, did I rest? I didn't rest. I think I need to put on my sword for this night. It's pretty good, huh? Pretty good little cheese right there, guys. That was exciting. But I told Dennis Marks, be sure and join the Live Alert channel, folks. The Live Alert broadcast channel. I'm telling you guys right now. Definitely want to be in on that if you want live alerts when I go live. It's the only guarantee. And you know what? YouTube, I don't think alerts everybody that subscribes. I don't think it alerts everyone that subscribes like when you go live. On YouTube, they don't. It's not just a Facebook thing. If you have 2 million subs, every single time you go live, they're just not going to tell 2 million people that you're live. They're not going to. We get no summon. I think we don't do anything with this guy. I think a little buff. I think it'll grant me strength. I think maybe even a little... Oh, sorry. I think maybe even a little bit of this. I'm a fool. He stays dead, right? I want to cheese him. Last time I buffed up and just ran over here and cheesed him. But it's like, just kill him. We got the... Dude, this weapon here is a freaking beast of a weapon. It's freaking crazy. This weapon is a little bit cray-cray. Let's get a little bit cray-cray. Oh. Okay. I don't think we do anything except be ready. You know what I'm saying? Right? Nothing but be ready. Maybe summon these soldier guys toward the end. How many times you gotta drop her? Oh no, you just gotta get her health down to nothing, right? So we'll get her close on the first one, maybe. And then after we pop a couple of heads, we'll summon the little soldier boys. Did the whole game at Millennia without any real help. Summons Aragon. Nice. Where? Oh, I like. She's like a little sniper. I missed it. That's all I wanted. That's all I wanted. Stop shooting books at me! The books! Stop with the books. Yeah, I gotta remember to summon the soldier boys. I try to drink my flask! Soldier boy should help, right? Where did you get that weapon? Winston Hall. Capital? Capital? Watch her! Watch her! Oh my god! I didn't freaking get the right spell up! Don't go far! I missed her. It was okay. It was a little anticlimactic. It's not really what I was looking for in a cheese build. You know? But I'll take it. I think that was a pretty fair fight, right? Oh, this Plastiduck's armament from his remembrance. Is that what it is, Billy? I like them daggers, and he does for a build. The ones from last night. Caleb, I was completely 1,000,000% spec wrong.
Where did he flee?
Another Renala. I was just here. Oh, wait. No, we already rebirthed around here, folks. Grab the grace. Yeah, that did pretty good on Cat. But I'm telling you, I screwed up because the first spell I cast on her was Gold Vow. Like, motorcycle. Did you guys hear that? It was loud. It was loud and deep. I don't know if it was a motorcycle or a big engine whining. Okay. Who can stand against us? I think we go to no. Yeah. Yeah, right? No, main gate. Isn't there a main gate? Good job. Thank you, Caleb. Yeah, the Reduvia daggers. You saw me do... This is the wrong place. I want main gate. I had 50 faith and like 60 strength or something. And you don't put like either of those stats on those daggers. All that damage I was doing was without being anywhere near spec the way I mean, I could have been. I wanted arcane and dex on him, and I didn't have, I think, any arcane, and I had some dex or something. So saying if you were spec like that, right, everything would have been, yes, 1000%, Caleb. Yeah, I'm telling you. Like those invaders, that one guy that I almost killed, he would have been. I just believe it. I believe it. We can check it. We can test it. What did I do there? I was just getting to Altus, right? There's like something we can log in and respec him to where he's supposed to be, and I think I'm gonna be doing some more damage. I really do, because it was all wrong. It was all wrong. I had spec'd him at one point. I was like, wait a minute. It's Cat is what made me think about it, because Cat had the blasphemous blade out for some of those invasions. And I'm like, 50 faith. Wait a minute. I pulled out a blasphemous blade, a plus 10. Started swinging that sucker around, man. I was spec'd for that, because that was my last. It's what I used to kill Radagon and Elden Beast. And so that's exactly what happened. And yeah, it's an arcane and dex build, man. Oh, we didn't do like Ringleader's Ever Jail. We got to come like over here somewhere. I think in here, I think ish, right, guys? For the Malark. Let's just run over here and we need medallions, guys. Yeah. I did it totally wrong. I just walked in on that character and started playing him how he sat. And I'd get these huge bursts of damage, and I thought it was funny. And I was like, this is fun. Whatever. I'm telling you, man. He is not spec'd for those daggers at all. He's spec'd for a blasphemous blade. Tons of points wasted in health. I mean, in strength. Tons of points wasted in faith. Yeah, so we're gonna revisit that too. To see his true potential. You know what I'm saying? And it's going to be fun. It's going to be fun. Hopefully there's still bosses there. You know, bosses to kill, right? Okay. Do we see poopy water yet? I'm a fool to see your poopy water. Oh, yeah. I don't want to run in your poopy water no more. Wait a minute. Yeah. Get warm, I think. It's so funny because I place this here, and I mean, okay, I can see the poopy water. I just never know. This isn't it. No. First off, I never know which side of the road it's on. Although this should tell me. I think it should be like. Wait, that wasn't it, was it? No, it's a little rampy-dampy, guys, and it's over near the poopy waters. The Alburonics, man. I'm confused every time I look for it, guys. Every sad freaking time I look for these little village from the Alburonics. I think I might see it. And the funny thing about it too is every time I come here it looks different. Have a good night, everyone. Billy, dude. Billy, thanks for being here, my brother. Thank you, man. I'm glad you got your loot, brother. Mike Stagner, guys. Mike Stagner, moderator, friend, chess player, one of the longest supporters of Charlie Sardo Gaming. He just announced today that he got his airplane ticket for the Charlie Sardo Gaming real life get together. And if you have not checked it out, go to Charlie Sardo Gaming on Facebook. Right up at the top, it's pinned. There's a comment, or it's an event. And just click it and read it. Click see more and read what we're doing. And see if you might want to come, because we're going to have a great time, man. And I just can't wait to meet so many of you guys. So it's going to be really cool. Definitely going to want to do that. Hiring a band. I'm going to get up and play with the band, folks. See, you know, it's dark. And it just gets darker. It's like, okay, whatever. Okay, I'm gonna take this fool out right now with my sword. He's gonna throw poopies at me, I think. Did he get any poopies on me at all? I know he hurt me. I just drink my flask. Well, we might as well use it.
Please, no. Let the curse take everything.
You merciless brutes, he called me. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to book a different hotel. No reservations for single rooms on Saturday nights at the inn. Probably just going to do budget inn or something. No reservations for single rooms on Saturday. What does it? Does it mean like that's like not like a policy or something, or it's they don't have any reservations left? Yeah, man. As long as you got wheels, I know myself. It's like it's not like I'm gonna get lit or anything. But the fact is, I'm gonna be playing music. We're gonna be hanging out Saturday night, and I might have a few drinks. And I'm looking forward to having a hotel I can walk to. You know what I'm saying? Make it easy for me. Just bring the fools in. Just bring fools in. Did I just waste my thing already? I don't even think I had one. I knew they were gonna... You know, if someone could get the dog... I'm dead. I knew it. I knew it. I freaking knew it. Dude, he is so... Did they get him? They actually killed him. All the rooms on the schedule for that Saturday were blacked out for me when I went to reserve. Yeah, Billy. They're probably blacked out because we got them. Billy, you got a call. Did you go to the event at Charlie Sardo Gaming on my page? Because if you want the discount, you gotta call the number physically and say I want to order a room. You know what I'm saying? We have a block. That's why you can't get a room, because there's a room already blocked out. Do you know what I'm saying? I believe that's the situation, man. So if you call the number on the event, I mean, you got to dial 1-830. You got to call the number. It's not a 1-800 number. You can't do it on Expedia. You got to call the hotel. Tell them what you want. Tell them you're part of the Chillers, Charlie Sardo Chillers real life event, right? And I bet they have a room for you. Just throwing it out there. Throwing it out there. Because I want you to, I mean, but if you want to do the budget in, do the budget in. Do whatever you want. You know, all I care about, Billy, I just love to see you, man. I would just love to see you. So however you do this, as long as you get there and I can shake your hand and freaking we get to hang out for a little bit, that's what I'm talking about. That's what was supposed to happen, folks. That right there. My freaking soul skills are unsurpassed. Nice, huh? It's over here, dog. I took care of it. Yeah, so do it however you want, brother. But yeah. If they're blacked out, they're probably because they blacked out rooms for us. You know what I'm saying? Cool. I'll try that out. I went to the website from the event, right? I'll call them through for sure and check it out. That'd be a hell of better for me. Yeah. Call and tell them you're part of the. Exactly what I just told you. Tell them you're part of that event. Man, this run here, it's a pretty run, guys, but that's about it. You know what I mean? Oh, we could do a all. Oh wait, yeah, all dragons that get cheesed are fun. Even the easy ones. Feel? We already killed him, right? Yeah, he didn't have a chance, guys. I would start there, man. You might get it. Yeah, because when you said they're blacked out, it's like, yeah, they're blacked out because they blocked rooms off for us. So that way, we use their hotel, they give us a discount, and we have a reservation on those rooms for like a certain number of days. I think it was 30 days from the time we made the reservation. Guys, that was hard. I almost had to play Elden Ring that time. That was crazy, man. Okay. So the cheese build is living up to its name. Sorry, guys. They're like, we didn't get to do nothing. Pretty nice, huh, Cat? This freaking, if you ever done the lightning build, it's freaking hilarious. It's comedy at its best. Wait. I kind of wanted a pot. Wait. Am I getting turned around? No, here we go. Nice. I gotta call him. Yeah. You know it, man. And it'll be cool if as many of us stay at the same hotel, it'll be cool just because we walk to some of the events back and forth. We want to go next door to Chili's to get something to eat. Might bump into each other doing some of that. You know, it's like it'll be cool. We'll probably I imagine we'll probably make some kind of a group text scenario. I should have gone and talked to that dude. He's going to dodge every one of these. Well, maybe not.
If it isn't no use.
Oh, God.
The end is nigh. For you.
He's coming anyway. I must have talked to him. If I get some help, that'd be great. That's what I was looking for. I took care of it here. Okay, now we're gonna go we're gonna see if we can kill Patches. And what I mean by that is see if we can kill him without trying. Like accidentally kill Patches. Like we're gonna try and one-shot him. And I never did the lightning build, but I do have some of those incantations. We'll use them a bit more. Yeah. Yeah, when you put all these trinkets on and you get the flask, man, it's and this sword right here is a freaking beast. This makes you like invulnerable through half of that freaking that roll. Kind of like dragon incantation kind of thing. It's a pretty cool little it's a pretty cool little spell. Hey, free loot, folks. This lightning build was so much fun. And you know what? It's been a mixed bag tonight. I've been having fun. And every boss that I put my hands on didn't instantly freaking melt. But a lot of them did. And Billy brought up a good point. Maybe it was like NG plus 2 or something. No, just get him now while he's hiding. Okay.
Well, finally come round, have you?
Okay.
I knew you would.
I got nice.
Man of reason. True and
Yeah. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. I just came over to here to kill the dragon.
how did I took you for an innocent?
Okay, all right. Cool.
So I'll be ready to.
The lightning build is sick, guys. The lightning build consists of this spell, Ancient Dragon's Lightning Strike, okay? And then my equipment is... Let me move something over here real quick. My equipment is the Gravelstone Seal 20 plus 25. I have 2 of them, and I have a Dragon King's Crag Blade plus 10. Then I got whatever stuff here. I got a Lightning Scorpion Charm. I got a Flock Canvas Talisman. I got a Ritual Sword Talisman and Godfrey's Icon. My physic is Lightning Shrouded Cracked Tier. Temporarily boosts lightning attacks, and Cerulean Hidden Tier. Eliminates all FP, which I don't think I need, but it was in someone else's video, so I used it, but it doesn't really seem to be taking effect right here. So yeah, that's the build. That's the build, folks. And it's doing some pretty nice one-shotting. Okay, so patches we'll deal with later, right? We got that one. Oh, yeah, we're going to make the drive, guys. We're going to make the drive. Oh, whoa. I didn't want to go there, man. I got to get on the road and stay on the road. That's my problem. I always get off the road, guys. What'd you guys eat for dinner, man? No, this is way closer. We're going to run out of here, and we're going to run right to this next church. We got to be close, folks. I'm a fool. Whoa. I can't see anything. There we go. That was kind of scary. I don't remember talking to the samurai guy. I thought the samurai guy saves you if you talk to him. Right, guys? Well, you guys... No, we just started this playthrough, guys. We, for a fact, did not talk to the samurai guy. And he still came to help me with the invasion. I understood you had to talk to him, and then he'll help you with the invasion. Yeah, Drew says now he always shows up. Yeah, I had no clue. I did not know that. A little jet spring would be great here. It would be real nice. What'd you guys eat for dinner, man? I need you guys to freaking twist the knife, man. I mean, make it hurt. Tell me what you had. I'm so freaking starving right now. Come on, you gonna be like that? You gonna be like that? There we go. So I'm just trying to get to the road. I think I found the road, folks. I ate 2 hot dogs, man. But... Oh, yeah. I had 2 fried eggs sandwich for breakfast. And then I ate 2 hot dogs for dinner. It's not much, guys. And what time we got right now? Yeah, 10:20. That was 4 hours ago. And so I'm hungry because I really haven't been eating. I haven't eaten very substantially. Very good. Ooh, we got an Evergel, folks. Have we done this one yet? Ah! No, we haven't done any Evergels yet. Baked salmon, roasted veggies, sparkling water. Oh, Drew, my God. Would you go to a freaking restaurant? Baked salmon over here. Okay, we're gonna need to get the cheese off quick, folks. Because I'll tell you why. This dude's quick. Guys, look at my health. Look at my health. I'm at like 60%. I almost freaking died right there, dude. We totally botched that. I almost had to play Elden Ring right there. I would have had to like equip a weapon. I might even had to roll. I can't roll. Follow me for more strats, guys. Follow me for more strats, folks. I just tomato, pasta, and garlic bread. Ooh, cat. That sounds good. You guys are killing me. I told you to twist the knife, but God, you guys, why you gotta be so brutal about it? I just wanted to get a general idea of what somebody might have eaten for dinner, and now you guys are like telling me baked salmon and what have you. Oh yeah, go this way and turn right, right? Oh my God, I wanted this church. Is there a way to port to the freaking church from Marika? No, I guess I just went the wrong way. I didn't go. Yeah. We can just run north. Go to the end. Head end, they said. It will be end, they said. That's where I'm going. Stream rock comes on at the perfect time. It's good horse ride music, guys. Rockin'. Am I really going the right way? Well, yeah, kind of. So, from this way, I saw the Everjail and ran that way because I wanted to. I'm going to go north like this way. Yum, carb heavy meal. This is the road. Yep, I see the road. Okay, so I turned the wrong way on the road. This freaking place is far away from home, bro. There's a fork in the road over here. I gotta turn right. Is that it? I think that might have been it. Come on, look at my map! What are they doing to me? This is the road. Okay. That's the right church, right? Third church from Marika, folks. Dude, I love pasta. Oh, did I buy stuff for pasta, guys? I think I didn't buy a lot of meats. I kind of bought sandwich stuff. You know what I mean? The other day when we got that takeout Asian food that like someone sells on Facebook that they sell from their house, and it was so good. And then we went to the store, and so we didn't really have a list, and we weren't sure how long it was going to take for the food to come, and so we kind of just went in and bought stuff kind of haphazardly. And so I got some stuff. Yeah, I'm here. Yeah. You better watch it, buddy, because I'm crouched right now. Why am I crouched? There we go.
Well, fellow, this
spite of you, my good young Tony, I want you tonight.
Should I kill him?
My fool. Oh, I threaten us.
Stream rock always makes me imagine riding a motorcycle down the highway at night with an electric guitar and a katana on my back going full speed, evading some bad dude lackeys. Some bad dudes lackeys. I love it.
My fool.
Okay, yeah. Okay. Where's the freaking church? I'm looking right at it. I'm dead. We didn't die. First church from Marika coming in hot, folks. It's going to be right over here somewhere. There it is. Third church. Yeah, Streamrock's got the vibe, man. It's crazy, guys. It's crazy how that turned out. It was thrown together, man. I ain't gonna lie. I would like to... I mean, it was thrown together with, 40 freaking 9 years of playing music, and experience. And it was thrown together, at the end, it was thrown together pretty quick. You know what I'm saying? Guys, you always got to grab this. Sacred tear, okay? There's a little bowl right here. Just stand in it. It feels good. Okay. We got that. And now we can run south to here to get the other... We touched the Grace, right? We got the Grace? What kind of motorcycle, Drew? Yeah, I mean, let's get specific. Let's get specific. Stream rock always. I always kind of wanted a street bike. I always rode dirt bikes growing up, guys. We had a backyard, and then it was like 2 lots behind our backyard. Probably technically 3 lots. Like, I bet there's 3 houses, 2 or 3 houses behind the house I used to live in. And that they built up in California. And we made we had our motocross track back there, guys. And so we would like go to school and then come home and scrounge money, get gas, and we would ride motorcycles in the backyard freaking from like what, 4 o'clock till we had to eat, or till people were getting mad, or till a fire broke out, till someone got hurt. Usually till we ran out of gas. You know what I mean? And then tomorrow's another day. It was so much fun. Great freaking memories with my brother and my friend Steve. Yep. And so I just kind of wanted a street bike, man. But you know what? As I get older, I'm like, being here in Texas, man, a lot of people don't care. It means too much to them. I get it. I never really got into riding on the streets. And so I just don't have a love for it that I would live to ride, die to ride, or live to... whatever that is. In other words, freaking deer, foxes, raccoons. I mean, there's a lot of malarkey, guys, in Texas that can jump out in front of you while you're trying to freaking ride your motorcycle. You know what I'm saying? Beautiful riding in my area. But the fact is, I do come from Tahunga, folks. I come from a little town called Tahunga, California, exactly where they filmed Sons of Anarchy. I'll go! That's the night. Okay. I'm going to summon the soldiers. Right at the door. I got to go quick. Get them up. Look at that. What? Oh, target him. Don't knock him down. Is he coming back? Do I need to run down there and see what's up? Dude, these guys are actually little beastuses, man. He moved right to where I could get him. Did you guys? That was actually really cool. Did you guys see that? Lisa Harley type bike. You can stretch your legs. Yeah. Well, like I said, I loved riding motorcycles, riding dirt bikes, but I grew up in Tahunga where they filmed Sons of Anarchy, and that is a beautiful. That's beautiful riding too. The point is, I went from one place that's like insanely known for beautiful riding to another place, the hill country of Texas, that is insanely known for beautiful riding. So it's kind of cool. I think I got my medal, guys. Look at, they're all still up. That was a really cool scenario when I summoned them all and they were jacking with them at the door. That was pretty cool, huh? Okay, so we got that thing. I don't think I need to do this. We have access to Altus. We got the Bellum Church. Do we have Inventorio? It's a key, right? No, I have half and half. Where's the left half? Where's the right half of the Dectus medallion? I know the left half of its Hallig tree is Commander Niall. But where is the other half of the other medallion? I'm tripping right now, man. I can't believe these guys are still up. Where is it, guys? I just got half the medallion from here. Dectus medallion right. It's not in Caelid, is it? Grabbing water, 1 second. I would say I'd go kill Renala, but I already killed her. Other Dectus, Fort Feroth. Oh, you're right. Thank you, dude. This will get me to Caelid. I think maybe I'm supposed to run. This is probably the wrong way to go, huh? Let me see. I could jump up and probably run over to Dragon Barrow. Is that the move? Or do we take the port? Where does this port take us again? It takes us to a different part of Caelid, right? Whoa. Yes. Wherever it takes, it doesn't matter because you can just port right back. That's what I love about this game. I love about this game is like there's no Hearthstone. You know what I mean? It's, yeah. I'm here. This is good to get to like this part of Caelid, but I don't think this is the quickest way to get to Dragon Barrow. So I'm gonna grab this Grace. Let me see. See, I'd have to run all the way down here, past the dragon. We could kill a dragon though, and then Dragon Barrow's over here somewhere. Oh yeah, so no, this is right. This is right. Fort Feroth. This is right. Yeah. Oh, you guys want to cheese this fool? if you'll stand still. He moves too much. That was a little bit better than the first one. Okay, I'm gonna drink because I want to kill him. Dang it! I need to hit him one more time. I needed to hit him one more time. That sucked. He just moves around so much. I felt like I just kind of had to do what I did. You know what I mean? He let me walk up on him. I feel like it didn't do anything. I feel like it didn't do anything. Oh! On both of these. Wrong one! Too far out of range. Okay, that's not working at all. Oh my god, I'm still up. This guy moves too much. But I'm never gonna kill him like this. I'm never gonna kill him like that. I'm never gonna kill him with little baby peppers. I almost had him. If I would have gotten away from him the first time, when I had him at like, you know, 12%, I could have put him off with the I could have put him off with those things. I went in there with the gold vow, guys. That was dumb. There we go. It's not hitting him. Gotta get him with the same spell, folks. All you gotta do is dodge. Oh my god. Get him! Hey! Well, we killed him. We didn't cheese him. Got him though. I mean, that guy's not easy. We're down to 200,000 runes because we had 500k and we died. I don't think we picked him up, right? No, there's no runes around here anywhere. We got him. We're done. We're done. They're gone. There's only 500,000, guys. 500,000 does not help us. Stream Rock riding with that good looking rider. Sacred Tears. They should be like, you can sell your gold seeds for 10 runes at the Twin Maiden Husks when expansion comes. You know what I mean? That would suck, wouldn't it? We'll drink here. We'll kill another dragon, guys. These guys are really cool. I love these guys. More than I liked them in the last playthrough. Last time, Trey wanted me to use these for something, and I don't remember what it was. Which playthrough? You had a 2001 250 Ninja. It was hard on my joints, says Caleb. Oh, wow. Just don't move until I can get your head, buddy. Come on! That was a little something. Come on. I'm dead. Maybe not. You should have killed me while you had the chance, buddy. Okay. There's no way! Oh, I so had him. I should have pre-planned my terrain. Well, at least it's not very far a run, right? It's like he has bad eyes or something. Oh, did I forget to drink? %, and I'm almost dead. Got him! Got him, guys. Good job. Good job. Nice dragon heart. Nice dragon heart. So the cheese does still work, guys. And you know, the fact is, you guys know when you see cheese videos, you see people run up with their Comet Azure and like melt the boss. Sometimes that's the 4th attempt. Bosses don't just always stand there for the poopies, you know. That wasn't bad, huh? See, now I would have a million runes if I would have picked up my runes at back at that guy in the steps. I don't think we need Lenny's Rise for anything. There's a Knight's Cab there. Oh, I might need Lenny's Rise to... Oh, there's an air spring, isn't there? There's an air spring behind the tree. All you gotta do is... Yep, there is. Because I usually come down this way. Just looking at me is the problem. What? Oh. I don't have mana. Get him. Okay. Shoot him at me. Get him! Alright, guys. Gaming. That guy was hard. He was hard. Alright, now we get the other medallion. Good game, love the cheese. It's kind of fun. It's enjoyable. You know, the game that was so hard that made so many people quit and broke our hearts so many times. Ooh. Ooh. No, we don't have the bleed build. We're not going to kill the big sleeping dragon. I would maybe run around and kill his sisters. And then he'll die. Do I have my thing on? I do now, folks. It's not a no-hit run, folks. We can just run in. I was get hit by poison. Yeah, there it is. But I think there's less than I got hit by less. See how? Do you notice when I went to the ladder, I went to the right? Because I was like, maybe I won't run through the poisons, get as much poison as I usually get. There we go. Yeah, the cheese runs are fun, guys. You've got to love the cheese runs. Okay, now that we got that. Hollywood stream. Only 2 hour 42 minutes, man. That's nothing, guys. That ain't working. Let me see here. That's the way you do it. Hit the money on the MTV. So now we go here and we ride up the street. Right? This is the move. We can ride. Yeah, you go down and around to go to the magma worm like we did the other night. But whoa. Yeah, it's pointing. Just follow the yellow brick road. Dude, sometimes these things hit me so gnarly and sometimes they don't. Go. Ah! Dude, that hurt, bro. I guess if I would have watched him, I wouldn't have got hit. Am I right? We were doing questing things over here. We had to go up and do stuff. Oh yeah, madness build. The madness build was fun, man. Will I ever do a madness build again? I don't know, man. DLC needs to come, bro. I mean, we'll be digging pretty deep if we got to do a madness build again. You know what I mean? We just did it. Yeah, we have to do a second bow run. That would be fun. The bow run has been done, folks. We don't need to do the bow run again. Cat loves the cheese. Cat, have you ever done a full cheese run like this before? Curious. Who has? I know Adam Martin. He was here earlier. I know he has. I know Trey has. I think Adam Martin said he's one-shot at every boss in the game. And you know what? Somehow I believe him. Alright. Got the grace for when we come to the Hallig tree, folks. That's a little bit down the road, but... Dude, I've never done like a whole playthrough in one stream, bro. If I stayed up late, that would be crazy to do, wouldn't it? And if I wasn't goofing around right now and killing like the dragon on the freaking in Lake Agil, the dragon we just killed, I could totally. Oh, we could get. Guys, we did our homework.
I've been waiting for you.
Oh wait.
I knew you.
Wait. I want to grab the grace first. Now we don't need Rykard though, right? We don't need Rykard. Only a little use Comet Azure for a bit. LOL. Yeah, did you use Comet Azure as a spell, but did you set it up like the cheese with all the... Did you stack the int and put the freaking all the proper trinkets cerulean hidden tear and everything to make the mana last and buff up and freaking do the cheese scenario. Because you can, Comet is yours, something that you can just use, right? She's gonna give me the.
I knew you. I hereby.
I'm gonna do this now so she doesn't leave. We're gonna go to Volcano Manor and then we're gonna port back. Because I want to get to Capital. I want to kill the Capital bosses. Closest to cheese was my poison bleed dagger run. Beat the game in 9 hours without really trying to speedrun, says Drew. I want to do some cheese builds, but I'm more interested in nuance builds. Will do someday. Nice. Okay. Now, I may not come back for Rykard. Although, wait a minute, man. We can go do the Godskin Apostle, right, guys? Oh, I guess I have to join their club, right? I have to join their cult. I mean, their club. Yeah, put me in the club. I'm part of your cult. I'm part. Now, I guarantee I have a Serpent Hunter 10, so we could just do Rykard like the way we want to. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Moving forward with the lightning build, folks. The cheese is real, man. There we get the letter. Talk to Bernal. Bernal.
No, before you consider.
Before I can what?
Your own kind.
All right. Hey, sometimes you hear funny things at night. Good. I should have a walking around weapon, right, guys? Whoa, that was crazy. The Bubble Boy build was a cheese build. I thought the Madness build was going to be more of a cheese build than it was. It was just a build, and when prepped and done right, you know, it did plenty of damn. Screw that fool. I don't need none of that loot. I want to go find the Godskin Apostle. Or Noble, or whatever he's called. I want to take him out. Rykard really is the worst fight in the freaking game. It's really funny. I mean, Gideon's pretty bad too, right? Think about Gideon, man. If you don't have like this overpowered thing about you. Oh, wait. If you don't have this overpowered thing about you and like you just are playing Elden Ring and you don't know Gideon and you just walk up to him and start fighting him, he starts moving around a little bit, man. He starts moving around just a little bit, folks. He gets a little cheesy, you know what I'm saying? He can be a little bit annoying. I didn't do the full build as didn't know what I was doing back then. I love Blasphemous Blade. Dude, Blasphemous Blade is a beautiful thing against Radagon. Oh my god. Blasphemous Blade just kind of does a little bit of work. You know what I mean? It's really, really nice. It's a beautiful, beautiful weapon. I have, on this character, I have two leveled up Blasphemous Blades. And I used both of them to beat, oh man, it's the wrong way. I kind of knew it. For Radagon and Elden Beast. And I was swinging both of those freaking things for Elden Beast, man. I was going to use both my Great Dark Moon Swords for Elden Beast 2. And I don't know how I didn't have a problem when I used the Blasphemous Blades. Because the stamina, you can do the best you can to deal with the stamina. But the problem is, even if you regen fast, every time you swing it, you're burning so much freaking stamina that I think we're gonna dung. You gotta almost go to where the loot is, guys. Oh man, I didn't think you saw me. You got a belly flop on me, bro? Come on! I didn't get him. I try to stay in. I tried to stay in because I didn't care. Yeah, that was... I don't really like to fight him there anyway. I should have gone the other way and opened up the shortcut. Duh. That's why it's a shortcut. Yeah. Kind of blew that, but it's okay. It's not that far. It's not that far, folks. It's not that bad, guys. We're right there. And we don't have to stop and get the stones anymore, so... We already got the stones, folks. Running, running, running. I didn't need that loot, guys. I didn't need that freaking loot. Okay. Same thing, only better. I still feel like those little soldier boys. You think they'll hold aggro even better than Ding Dong was doing there? I should pull them back. You know what I mean? I'll be right back, guys. We're gonna fight him in the big arena, not in the freaking lava. Come on back, guys. Either take aggro or get over here. Oh my god. I didn't drink my freaking... On his head. Let's go! Hey! We got him, guys. I'm in a lava? No. That was rough. We got him, though. And I have 19,000 runes. Are my runes over here? Is this like a number of runes? It is. Yeah, now I think I'd be at 1.5... Nah, probably about 1.4 million runes. Creeping up to a level. I need to really start collecting my runes, guys. Because it's not good. Dave is here. Hey, Dave Joyce, what's up, my brother? How you doing, man? Welcome to the stream. Thank you for coming in. We have given a rebirth to the lightning cheese build, which some of the bosses were easily cheesed. Some of them had their way with us, and we had to like try the cheese a couple of times. When you watch cheese videos, no one, a lot of times I don't think most of those people are getting the full cheese every time. You know what I mean? I want to freaking take this fool out, guys. You're gonna aim at him, so. Full charge. Full charge. What's he doing? You just want to stay there, huh? That's cool. What does he drop? Black flame monk gauntlets and a smoldering butterfly. Put the butterfly out, would you please? What's up today, Dave Joyce? How you doing? What'd you eat, man? Dayjoy, you're just waking up, right? And beat Draconic Tree Sentinel. Okay, guys, I'm heading out, says Drew. Have a great night. Have you see lightning be able to strike again. Drew, thanks for being here, man. Thanks for the help at the beginning, man. Thanks for plugging it into the old spreadsheet. Some really cool fashion. Souls going on with this character. Yeah, it's so weird the way they block their own chat. Yeah. Okay, we open. We know what happens. We know what happens now. Okay, we can just come over here. Rest. And then we're going to take out the Godskin Noble guy. Okay? We got a shortcut, guys. We paid for it. We paid for it in blood. Okay? You guys want that stone? I know how to get to it. Probably not going to do that on this playthrough. Really didn't need to do this, man. If I wanted to finish the game today, I should not have done this. But it's okay. Okay. Don't do that one attack. Dude, I tried to let it go in time. Wow, that was nasty. I didn't charge it very much, guys, because I didn't need very much. I didn't need very much, man. We took him out, though. All right. What are we looking at here, folks? Cheese is real. We go to Rykard. Do you fight Rykard without the do you fight Rykard as not? Oh, I'm supposed to grab that grace, huh? Yeah, I'm supposed to grab that grace, guys. I'm going back down. I'm not sure if I grabbed it. Well, wait. Did I even rest? No way. We got to rest. We want to. Well, there's another grace right before Rykard, right? But I always forget to grab it. Yeah, I just woke up going back to sleep soon. It's only 5 a.m. yesterday. I had cottage pie and veggies. It was left over from Sunday, so I had it again. Nice. Yeah, that does sound good, man. Okay, so now, wait, we gotta rest. Okay. Send it back down. I thought you did this to... This is the way, huh? No matter what. Okay. Run across the Molten Slug Bridge. We all know this Molten Slug Bridge. Running to the Abductor Virgin Lady by the window. I never run this way. Come on, come on. Don't let him hit me through the window. I want to put the full poop on this guy. I knew it was going to freaking block it. She's still trying to hit me, guys. She's still trying to hit me through the freaking walls, man. Ah! No! Roll! You can't be in the daylight. There's no way! That chick is still on me, bro. Oh, okay. I didn't know where I was, guys. I didn't know where I was. I thought I was in a different spot. Come on, you freaking nut, you pumpkin pie haircutted freak. Okay, now I know where I am. This dude's still on me? Dude, that was jacked up, bro. Better drink. Dude, everyone's taking a shot at me, bro. Only person that can help me is Riker. Ugh. Okay. I never grabbed the Grace. And Herbert Koch in all the replays is like, Charlie, grab the Grace. I'm like, sorry, Herbert. Okay. Do we try and cheese him with... I think he has the most health in the game, doesn't he, guys? Does he? Doesn't he? Does Riker not have the most health in the game more than the Fire Giant? I think he does, guys. That mana bar. Wow, what level is this character, Charlie? This character is level 450. 450. We gotta find the +10 poker, folks, and we just gotta go do the nasty with the Mimi to him. Where is it? Here, let's switch it out for the Dung Eater. Switch. I don't want to use my Mimic tier no more. What? Two-handed when I summon my Mimi. Right? Just go, man. That's the only one I don't know how to dodge. And it killed me in one shot? How'd it kill me so fast? That's the only one I don't know how to dodge. But guys, how did it one-shot me? Probably because, like, I have all this stuff that does more damage, lowers damage negation. Nothing here is really doing anything for me. Charged? Nope. Skill? Yeah, nothing is doing anything for me. I don't even know if I want to freaking change all my stuff to change this guy. I know I need to drink some water. Yeah, this guy's, this is my big boy. And it's so nice having these high-level guys because they've gone through so many different, at least for me, so many different builds and stuff, right? That you can, like, I'm like, I'm going to do the lightning build. I'm like, was it on this character? I looked around, I looked at his gear, I'm like, yeah, this was him. This, I think, was Big Bonk, too. Maybe twice. He's got done like 2 big bumps. This is NG +9, Journey 10 on this character. Yeah, man. Welcome to the coffee camp, guys. going to do it. I'm just going to switch a little bit of gear for this fight, and we'll put it all back. Right? Like this one right here. I'm going to change it. Wait. I'm going to change it for... This guy does fire damage, right? It looks like fire. We're going to call it fire. This one does nothing for me. I'm going to go for enhanced charge attacks, right? Or skills. Yeah, it's a skill, right? And, raise attack power when HP is at max. I could leave that on just in case. Charge, spells, and skills. Okay. That right there should be better. Actually... just so I can last in there. I'm gonna put. There's got to be some of that physical damage on that one spell that I'm doing, right? Is anyone else? Oh, did I turn up the wrong lights on? No, I didn't. Boy, it just seems like it got brighter in here. Okay, summon the Mimi and make this happen. And was played Liza P. Used a new weapon yet? It's crazy strong. Nice. Oh! I forgot to drink my health. I forgot to drink my health back as one thing, guys. Yeah, two-hand, buddy. That was one thing. There he goes again. Okay. And that's why... Come on! You can hit him, you know, Mimi. Good. Mimi's doing some damn filing. He got me with the tail swipe? He does that? Okay. Second verse. We gotta kill him, Mimi. We gotta kill him quick. Because, when the skulls come, your daddy gets scared. Kill him. Kill him. Good, got him. That's the way to do that fight, guys. Little bit of Mimi by my side. I played it. Did the first boss. Cat. I did a little bit further than you. I killed maybe 5 or 6, but... Now, I don't know what we did, but I think if we ever go back to the round table, I think it will be invaded by then. Because we have not gone to the round table in for EBS, guys. Not for EBS. Okay. I'll just... Plateau. Okay, we're gonna have to put our clothes back on, guys. Equipment. We gotta find that crag blade thing again. Oh, it was up here, I think. Wait, bolt of Grand Sacks! Didn't we use this? I think we used that too, guys. Oh yeah, we did. We did. Okay. Wait. Equipment Dorio. This one. We got to put all the lightning stuff back on, guys. And one of them. None of them are up there. Oh, flock canvas, right? Okay. Lightning scorpion, right? I know what it is, guys. It's Godfrey icon, but why it just says I already have one on. Oh, because I do. And then the other one was Ritual Sword. There we go. All right. We got our clothes back on, folks. I got my tight pants, and I'm the only one. He's pretty tough for the first boss. Yeah, the first boss was fun, man. I never parried. I beat the first boss without parrying him. People are like, you're going to have to learn because if you don't parry, you can't. It's like, okay, man, calm down. I'm just saying. People said I was, because people were telling me I was going to have to learn to parry the first boss or I would be able to get him. I'm like, okay, now, because I knew I already almost had him dead. I almost already had him dead. You know what I'm saying? Come on. Come on. Yeah, jump. Hello. I got an F button. Oh my god, this guy wants a bolt. You want the bolt? It didn't do much. It didn't do much. And we're taking a lot of damage. And that heal didn't do much. We're dead. The iframes, folks! Okay, what a hassle that was. Well, we got the grace. So I would call that a full reset. It's pretty tough for our first boss. Missed a lot of stuff on my first playthrough. Playing it again. Nice! The new weapon is carrying me 3/4 of the way through. Wow! And you've only died twice. Are you serious, Dave Joyce? Both to gravity. Wow. Yeah, no, I like the first boss too, man. I did. I never killed the snitch guy, the self-loathing freaking fox guy in the room that was like hated puppets. Remember him? Yeah. I had a hell of a time with that guy. I kind of stopped. But he was, oh my god. But oh my god! There's no way! Am I really dead right here? Is this really how it ends? Let's go! We dodged an arrow, guys. That's all I needed was to dodge that arrow. Dude, look at me, man. I'm a freaking pincushion over here. Okay, slow down. Be sure you got stam. I'm gonna cheese these boys real quick. Yeah, they're already resetting, folks. They don't want one in this. Leave. What's the last boss like in Liza P? Is it like epic? You know what I mean? What's the last boss like in Liza P, guys? I'm curious about that because I really didn't watch hardly any videos of that game. You know what I mean? Should have called my boys first. Oh, I gotta walk in first for that. Well, I stood in front of him, so. Yeah, man. There's just too many of them. And he's swinging at all of them. So he's going to keep hitting me. How do you even see me? Oh, I got them both a little bit, guys. So maybe I don't have to do much. Wow! That was crazy! Nameless Puppet is brutal, probably as hard as Millennia, but not as hard as the last 3 bosses in Sekiro. That's a word I was trying to think of last night for the game Sekiro. Parry. You need to be good at parry with Sekiro. Yeah, I bet, man. Okay. The multiple puppets there. I think I want like I think I want Ding Dong. Which I think I just took off my Switch. She's trying to delete me. He doesn't even see the dung eater. Okay. Your brother just got deleted, buddy. What are you into? You could hit him, you know. Get away from me, Dung. You're going to get us all killed. There we go. See what I'm saying about the cheese? It works, guys. The lightning cheese still works. It's just a little bit shady with sometimes it's not always on the first attempt. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Okay, what do we got to cheese up here? Oh, big bosses. Big bosses. 1,287,000. Guys, we're 1.2 right now, man. I should rest up. We're 1.2. We're going to the big bosses, right? Yeah. Okay. Yo, what is this? Steezy. This is the lightning build, Steezy. Steezy engineers. Yeah, man, we're cheesing bosses. Some of them cheese like pretty cheesy. Some of them take a couple of hits. Some of them kill me in the first attempt, and then I kill them with a couple of hits. It's, you know, it's pretty. This is NG plus 9. NG plus 9. That's cool. Okay, we've got 2. Master the parry. Yeah, I know. This guy, I never mastered the parry. Do we take this guy out?
I see thee. Touch. Smolder. Wretched flame.
That's fine. You could do that. Come to me, though. I didn't get him like I thought I would, guys. And see this? Whoa! I'm dead. I knew it! Guys, he was freaking 7% or something. Son of a gun. Well, the fact that it's NG plus 7. No, NG plus 9. It's journey number 10, okay? The bosses, once they hit NG plus 7, they level out. They stop having so much health, right? But I think like when I first did this, it might have been NG plus 2, NG plus 3, something like that. And like I got video, man, of like running up to a Placidux, Icon Placidux, you know the one I'm talking about, Lord Placidux or whatever, that fool. I ran up to him and like basically hit him twice, bing, and he gets down at like 40%, bang, hit him again, and he's dead. He never flies away. He never, he just dies. You know what I'm saying? And that was really good. I did the same thing with Radon. I think it took me, I had to push the button twice, 2 or maybe 3 times, but he never flew away. He just dies. He just dies. Should be able to sneak up on Tree Sentinel guy and get a pooper off. This is pretty. It's pretty fun. It's very relaxing, man. It's very relaxing. It's a build that I had all the equipment on me from having already done it before. Oh! God, your aim. Look at their aim sucks. This is horrible, guys. Now, everyone aim at me right now. Oh, God. Oh, God. His aim. I knew that was coming close. I could just tell by the way he was getting a beat on me, folks. Okay, we'll see what we can take out here. And it does help a lot to use the summons to distract them so you can get the cheese off. You know what I'm saying? Like, watch. I'm going to go like this. I'm going to summon these guys. Flame, grant me the strength to carry on. Let me get the golden bow. I'm going to drink this. I'm going to get my... Hey, guys, come on. Is he immune? Is he immune, or did it just miss him? I think it missed him, guys. I think it was too close to the thing. Not. Yeah. See, that's hit him now. He was like inside the inner circle. He was too close to it. But the other, see, he was just outside of it there. He's almost dead now. I could kill him with anything, but I just want to keep casting the same spell. No! Okay, that was a hassle. So, you know, I'm telling you, I literally think when I cast the first one, every beam went around him. It was like a shower. It was like a little a bassinet that embraced him, and he was in the eye of the storm. That's the term I'm looking for. Whoa, he was in the eye of the storm. I had one shot where I hit him pretty hard. Got him. It was a boss. We got him, folks. He was hard. I mean, it's so funny. I could just kind of run in there and do kind of whatever. Oh, man. Why? Why? Guys, it's Grey Runes or something, right? Guys, I killed Rykard. I killed Renala. And I killed 2 fools over here. Why is it not open? Why? Who would I need to kill? What boss do I kill? If I killed Rykard, I just killed Rykard. And I kill Renala. And I killed freaking the 2 at the castle. Oh, I gotta activate one. That's like... Oh, that's a great question, Radon. But I've never always done Radon. Either activate the Great Runes or Radon. Jason Steezy. Jason Hefty. Probably want you to pick up your runes. Yeah, what Jason said. Your ruins. I'm not sure what that means. I don't think I have to activate a Great Rune. I don't have any great... because I have to go to the tower to activate something, right? Oh, maybe it's because I've never gone to the freaking round table hold or something. Oh, wait!
Very well. Let my hand rest.
Son of a gun! I wanted to have a damn weapon. We're gonna get freaking invaded or something, and I'm not gonna have any weapon. And I have Bolt of Grandsax, not my Crag Blade on right now. Okay. Oh, it's not invaded yet. I clicked the wrong... Oh, I don't want to talk to you, dude. Stop. Stop. I want the grace. The guy just wouldn't stop, guys. So, to activate a Great Rune... Guys. I don't think so. I have to activate the Great Rune. So I have to go to the tower. Right here. Yes. I have to go to the tower, guys. Right? Is that what I have to do? Wait, that's not it, though. Maybe that is it. It's not it. It's over... here? Divine Tower of Limgrave. Where's the freaking tower that you activate the freaking Godric's Great Rune? I don't know. Dennis March! Dennis, you made it, brother, to the After Dark, man. Good to see you, dude. I saw you on the chess stream, man. And I was like, dude, I don't know if you know about the YouTube, man, but we've been here, man. We've been here, and Edgar Castro's been here, Trey's been here, a lot of the After Darkers. Caleb's here, Kat is here. Tower of Limgrave. Okay, so I got to go to the Tower of Limgrave, all the way out here, and I think I do that from the Broken Bridge thing. Is that Rampart Tower? Do I have to, like, run this way all the way there? Is that the one with the freaking, the golem things on it? Or can I run in from the main gate and go to the right? Oh, that guy... the main gate's not open. We kill this fool. He doesn't spawn back. Okay, so that plan's over. That ain't happening. 3 golems. Right. The Grace for Limgrave Tower Bridge is in the castle past the big... Yeah, exactly. Yep. And what happened was... let me see if I can get my bearings. Because I could run all the way down past all those archers. Right? That horrible run that, like... Is there a better way to creep over there, guys? There might be. No idea what I'm doing. Whoa. Let's figure out where the hell we are. I think the lions... Oh, this might be it right here. I might be able to drop down. Think we can get around these fools? I feel so Assassin's Creed. That's the front. Wait. No. feel like I want to jump down over here somewhere, but I don't think I can. You can roof jump, Dennis Smart says. Yeah, but I think there's no more good jumpy spots over here, you know what I'm saying? There's no parkour scenarios. Ooh, it looks like I almost made it there, but it's just to look around. You can't go up in those. Okay. So I feel like I want to go this way. Oh, there's a ladder down. Never been over here, guys. Well. Okay. I feel like I'm heading toward... Oh, here's all the where the archers are. See, if I take these guys out, can I jump down over here? It'd be cool if I could. You know what I mean? That's kind of where I want to go. There's one there. Can I hit him? I can. And this one over here I want to hit from here. And because this was the thing I was worried about running down. Because whenever you run up it sucks. Okay. I don't know if I can make this jump, guys. Yeah, that hurt. That hurt. Oh no. Don't drink mana. Drink. Drink that. These guys, I think I can just run past. Right? Alright, guys, that was an adventure. That was an adventure for me, seriously. Because I just had never done that kind of thing before, right there. The freaking dog's on me, folks. The dog is on me. You can roof jump. Thank you. Yeah, that's what we did, man. Thank you, Dennis. Have you parkoured around the castle a little bit yourself there, Dennis March? If you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess, we play Elden Ring After Dark. We have the best After Dark community in the world. Dennis March included. Okay. Oh, they raise up. Okay, okay. Oh, God. Charlie, Elden Ring Master. I don't know about that, my friend. There's no... Wait. Oh, my God, the timing. The fire. No way. Let's go! Should I have stayed? Should I have stayed? Come on! Yes! He's shooting a freaking big arrow at me! Made it, made it, made it! Nice. Okay, now maybe we can go into the freaking, guys, I'm telling you right now, I never had to do this before to go in. Hey, Joe Burstenberg, thank you for the sub, dude. And that didn't freaking alert, did it? Let me see if it'll send. Yeah. Joe, thank you for the sub on on YouTube, and I really, really, really need to make that thing. I need to customize that so when I hear it, it doesn't just sound like an alert. Because right now, guys, if you like what you see, throw me a sub. Right now, I'm here. I'm hustling. Not really hustling subs, but every other number in my life is coming along handsomely, and even the sub number on YouTube is not coming along poorly. I'm gonna start looking at road to 1,000, but right now I want to get to 750 and then 800. You know what I'm saying? So if you like what you see, you think you might want to see some more, throw me a sub. I'd appreciate it very much. I'm running in circles. We're going up. We're gonna turn in this thing. We're gonna be doing this build. This build's gonna be done. I don't think I'm gonna finish it tonight, but we're gonna get back to our Reduvia daggers build. We were melting bosses last night with the Reduvia daggers, and it was completely Spectron. Completely Spectron. So when I get that guy spec'd right, he's going to be doing some slicing and dicing. They say it's better not to have dual Reduvia daggers because the blood or something. Use Bloody Slash on one weapon is better than Reduvia dagger times 2. Rhodes, what's up, dude? How you doing, man? Okay, now let's see. Let's see if that did it, folks. It's open, man. You guys better than me, man. You guys know more about the game than I do here at Charlie Sardo Gaming, folks. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you for telling me that. I've come to that before and had the fog wall, but it's because, like, I didn't kill any bosses. I was screwing around. I was there way too early, way too low level. You know what I mean? Both the Grand Sacks, I feel way safer running around with the Cragblade, guys. I'm not gonna lie. And finding that son of a gun is the hardest part. It's like I have no idea where to find that freaking thing, and I don't know what it looks like. Malekith's Blade. I think it was below Malekith's Blade, right? Dragon. Okay, King's Cragblade, heavy thrusting sword. Okay, and it's big in gold. Like, look at it. I gotta start remembering the graphics for these cards. Hey, free loot, guys. Magic Grease. We just had 1.2 million runes, and now we have 197,000 runes. Yeah. And I'm not going back for them, folks. I'm not going back for them. Get poked, buddy. Still packing house. It's mission, says Roach. Still picking house up. It's a mission. Oh, wow. Some Elden Ring fanatics here. Oh, yeah, man. Yep, very knowledgeable crowd here at Charlie Sardo Gaming. And always willing to learn on top of that. You know what I'm saying? Rest. Okay. Oh. Oh, she's talking again.
For bringing me to here.
You're fine.
And thus,
You're good.
Farewell. I shall leave. I wish
Okay.
you luck.
Good.
You
I got
have
bosses to kill. I got bosses to kill. Thank you, sweetie. Bubble boys coming up. Yeah, I'm gonna have to run past some bubbling fools. You are correct. Why do I feel turn around? Because that's the wrong way. I'm like, what? Yeah. When I sat at the Grace, it turned me around. They're throwing bubbles at me, folks. Whoa. I had one of those things. These green things, whoa. They annoy me more than all those things I was just running from. Like, I hate them in dungeons, catacombs. I hate them in everything. Okay. We're not going to melt this guy right now, even though Streamrock's coming on. Wow. You might get a whack off on me. Avenue balcony. Get the bubble boys out of our life. I don't really do fire damage. I do lightning damage, guys. So this fool's not going to burn very well. Let's bring up a Dung Eater puppet. Oh, we got to come over here first. Dude, it didn't kill him. Those things won't turn corners, right? Stop shooting his body. It's embarrassing. He's dead. I'll see what Godric Goldfree's room. Heavy hitters, those things are... Dude, that was weird, man. I just heard a weird noise. Okay, leave. Bang. Okay. Guys, if you are new to the stream, I pretty much try and be here at 8 o'clock every night as much as I can, especially lately. But... Tuesday nights, I host an open mic, and Tuesday nights is like my night off. Then every once in a while, I'll have a gig or something, and I'll have a night off. But it's it's Monday through Thursday. Not Monday through Thursday. That's chess. 8 p.m. every night except for Tuesdays and occasional Friday, Saturdays. That's pretty much it. That's pretty much my schedule for the After Dark gaming community here at YouTube. And then sometimes I'll stream in the mornings too when I can, because I'll get up and I'll stream chess. The chess stream starts at 4 p.m. So when I can get up early enough and I got time, I want to get some hours in. I want to play some games, and I'll just jump onto YouTube and stream again there too. So subscribe and set the bell notifications so you get the live alerts. If you want live alerts every time I go live anywhere in the world on any platform, go to Charlie Sardo Gaming on. I'm not ending the stream. Go to Charlie Sardo Gaming on Facebook and join the live alert broadcast channel at the top, and you will get that information. You'll get a live alert every time. Wow. And you guys wanted me to, dude, and you guys wanted me to use that thing that cost me, that causes me more more lightning damage. I would have been dead there for sure. Chess Chiller streams are awesome, guys. Yeah, Cameron Ayers, man. We had a cool chess room today. Courtney Reed. Courtney, how'd your live go, babe? Good to see you. We are having an absolutely magical stream over here, guys. If you like what you see, please hit the happy like button. If you have not subscribed, please throw me a sub. If you like what you see, we are running to Gold Fray, guys. The Gold Fray. I should probably be clearing some of the branch, because I have a good spell for it, but instead I'm gonna run like an idiot, summon, and try and buff up. No, let's do it. Oh my God, look at them. No, I gotta go in, guys. I gotta go in. They're coming, guys. He's gonna throw it like he just. him! Dude, Dung, go ahead and fight the door. Dung went outside. He's cleaning up outside, folks. Yeah, someone dropped the house on you too there, buddy. That was fun. That was fun, guys. I ain't gonna lie. This is what we call a cheese build. Yeah, it was great. Hope you're rolling with the lightning. Hope yours is rolling with the lightning. Yeah, man. Yeah, that was pretty nice, huh? That guy he disappeared, guys. He disappeared. Dung Eater, I think, did a really good job. Now, this next boss is... What's the next boss's name, guys? This is not Godfrey. This is Marg Git. Marge is going to have to get. Do you think I'll be able to cheese Marge Git as easy as we did Gold Free? Steezy, that was nice, huh? You came in hot around the corner, too. Yeah. I got the Dung up. Dung took aggro. I'm just going to run past this fool. I ran around her back, folks. You know I have this, right? You know I have this, right? You know it charges, right? You know it charges, right? You should have never came in here. You should have never came in here. There you go. Should have never came in here. Okay. Courtney, how's your night going? Oh, you say it was great. Okay, yeah. Good. Okay. You want to just run right in and summon and buff like we're being chased? No, I don't want to do that. I'm just going to summon one person. It's going to be the Dung Eater, guys. You know that? I got things on the floor. I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to do it. And I'm going to buff inside, too. Sadly. It won't let me do it. You can... Okay. It's going to be hard to summon, but... Yep, okay. Ding dong. It's okay, that's like not even a real attempt. For someone that needs a summon, that's not even a real attempt. We got this. Now I can run up, zone in, summon. You know what I'm saying? I spent so much time on this guy on my Snow Witch build, man, and I had to learn and I had to get better and better and better and better, and it was a lot of fun, man. It was a lot of freaking fun. Okay, now second verse better than the first. I'll be over here buffing while he's like still way over there. Oh, I wanted to be close to him. I feel like that should have done more damage. It is NG plus 9. It's NG plus 9. You know, I died there, totally not on purpose. I didn't throw that, but I was like, I'm gonna run in and try and get next to him when you know, it's like I knew I was pushing right there. I feel like it. Let me see something. That's uncharged. And that's charged. I don't have to hold my... See, and that's charged too. Right hand doesn't hit harder than left hand, does it, right, guys? Drew said, pretty sure it doesn't matter. Equipment. You guys are like, dude, you hit him for like, you hit him for like 30%, you know, with one hit. It's like, yeah, I know, but I want bigger cheese, man. I want more cheese, folks. Is he immune to lightning? I don't know, man. Ding dong. I doubt he's immune to lightning. Maybe my yeah, and I was frozen in the drinking thing, but that's okay. Come on. Come on! I had golden bow. 60%. Eh, not even 60. Lows, high 60%, low 70%. You know what I'm saying? That was operator error, guys. That was operator error. That's the second time I've done that today. I ran up and did a gold vow, and that gold vow would have hit way better, except the problem is I didn't want a gold vow. I wanted that. And I'm pushing a little bit hard because I want to get up and on him, and this flask. Should I pull out the Black Knife Tish? We're gonna try the Black Knife Teacher, folks. I can kill this guy like easy, okay? I'm just saying. I could kill him easy. The question is, oh yeah, see, I forgot Black Knife Tish is going. That's kind of why I wanted Black Knife Tish. What? Why'd you do that to me? I haven't even looked at you yet. Tish has been kicking your butt for an hour. Come on. Kill him. Sorry, I just want. I'm just done. I know I'm not going to. I know I'm not going to get a 100% to 8% in one shot. Yeah, you're done. You're done. You're a great boss. Really, I'll remember you and when whatever. He's not immune to lightning because you saw how gnarly I blasted him. It's just you got to hit him. Talk to the thorns because the hand ain't listening. Yeah. Okay. I'll tell you this. I have never gone this far in the game. Oh, no, wait. Is she going to talk to me here? Yeah.
Allow me, you are unprevented.
Mount to top of the giants. Mount to top of the giants.
So I'd light to the flame and guide.
We get the royal medallion. Cool. Now we can go to the freaking fire giant. And it's fire giant, Farumazula, and then the last bosses, right? Yeah, man. Guys, I had a good stream today. I want to thank everyone for being here. If you haven't liked the stream or hit the sub button and you think you're going to consider it, I'd appreciate it. I want to thank all my regulars. I want to thank Courtney Reed. I want to thank all my moderators. Dave Joyce. I want to thank Caleb for always being here and supporting. Kat. Drew. Thank you guys for an absolutely beautiful stream. Guys, there's all kinds of content on my YouTube channel. Go watch the stream from yesterday if you missed it. The Redubia Dagger stream. There's shorts on my channel. There are published videos, edited videos. Check out my channel, guys. If you like it, throw me a sub. I freaking love you guys. I'm going to call it because I got to get something to eat. Thank you, guys. We'll be back tomorrow. Or no, not tomorrow unless it's late night, guys, unless I can get here in the morning. You guys, I told you, watch me at 8 p.m., guys. That's when you want to watch for me. Good night. Freaking love you guys.